for Adom TV. Na dwumadi a wohwe eye nkranhye semre. Me am tedwa mu a me de ho chia me. Edi am yeso Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. O fra me Nita Kotego so awon fom ye meje oso. Ene de yekoso a dwene emra ya ehye nkitahodie ana odo ase. Abrabo a yebu bibi a beye bi ebedi mu bia na je edi mra bi so. Adware e wo ne mra. Empo edidie wo ne mra se be obedidie amfa ho hinimu emra che so be fa wanum na wa wese aduane no amene bibi a ye bia egina emra bi so enti nkitahodie ni odo so e wo mra na enne no emra to so mienu na me de bra wo emra me bra wo emra ba ko me say friend the mirror law so show anim na bi sa ho nsem enne ye friend the elevation law. You see, in life you must elevate yourself to a level before you can join another person to elevate the person. We go into relationships with the mindset of elevating people to become equal as us. We don't go to be helped. Yen konkita hudie mu se obi muame. Me konkita hudie mu se me dum pempen so obi a me twa kasa e ba na me nim de, e ba na me we de, e ba na me sikasem, e ba na me kasa, me so me elevate me ho, me dum pempen so a metime ne obi adi nkita ho. You find the elevation law. Have you elevated yourself spiritually? They say utumpon ewo susuma fam. They say utumpon ewo kra mu. Ye kan wo kra wadwene, watenka ene wo pe. Say unyam puntuo a edimu ewo sa bia ye nyina mu. Ena wo die mu honam. They say utumpon na watimi ene obi edi nkita ho. Na wahunu say abrabo ayebo ye onipa enan ewo wiase. There are those who add something to life. There are those who subtract something from life. There are those who multiply something in life. And there are those who would divide something in life. Who are you? Me say, you one year edi bibi be ka brabo ana odo ho. You one year obeyi bibi afri abrabo mu ana wodo mu. One year obetimi ache wodo mu edi bia mu obi pepepe. Ene one year wodi bi be ka ho amana abro so. Emu de na woyo. Ask yourself if your life can be enjoyed by another person, that you can have actions that will bring joy to others. And so bisa say, my brother make boy, nkitahunda make di metimi ama obi eni age. Ask yourself if you are able to tolerate others. Say obi e bibi metimi anya abotre age na tum. Na mpo memba me bunfu. Na de oya enye no, ebedia suahunu ama me nmienu. Ask yourself, are you able to add value to you and to add value to others? As you betimi de bibia kan ho, na de bibia kan obi ho na ayeye. And ask yourself, are there things you can avoid? Are there behaviors you can avoid? Are there kinds of communication style you can avoid? Kasebu wa betimi agemu. Eniyebu wa betimi agemu. We are single dey wo na wona mu ho. Ene okoda na nware anya hwe. We are single udi na won nsam yenu kura didi anya hwe. Na the moment awudi obi nyankita hodie no, emra bi wo ho ma ho. E se wudi kwampa so na akoda so wadware na ho pampan ammo nipa na hwenimu. There are things you do when you are single, but when you become linked to others, you need to add value to your life. So to elevate yourself, find out whether your life can bring joy to others, whether you can appreciate others, whether you can accept people as they are. Then the next thing is whether you can tolerate others. Obi anebedi nkita ho bia no, bebi ofri so enko. Ebi anemebu obaya wa hi. Aso you nyina ka say oh me dey we dey waye. Nanso you okay. Mejina mu ahua de na me na ahua de abom. How ready are you to add value to your life? To add value to the way you talk. Ebi efia ofri mu what say sabe ofri kro bi so me mbo kro ni din. Em dey free me so. Em dey pesa. Da bi yemfa no nkita ho. E say wo hua kase de. E say wo nyanto boase wo buo ni suahunu. Na wo ni obi din nkita ho a de kan wo ni din nkita ho a say wo di obuo kan okasa ho. E say wo di obuo e kan wo ne ye ho. Na wo di ni die mu obi a e na wo so e di ni die be ma wo. Efi ebiom aso wo suban bi wa pese wo gya mu ana wo abisa ho. Suban ben na ekura mi a ebetimi adi minya na empo atete ni pakura me nante. Kasa ben na me kasa mi amefo se enye na wankasa wa fifi mu abibi mu na waja na wa pagya ho akodi mpempenso a why your mama na udimu na wapo. Love and relationships are for the mature people. Odo nikita hudie ni nyina so wani a wapo. Mature physically, matured emotionally, and matured spiritually. Relationships are not meant for children. It is not a relationship that you are going to learn. Adesua wo mu de nanso wo komo se wa udimu esipisita na kasa me so medum pempenso a me pagya me ho ekodumra ma bra body ani je bebre obi nyesa me koje afi obi ho ma bra body ani je bebre ni pakro no ma bra bo e de ahoto bebre ni pakro no ma bra bo e de ahofama bebre ni pakro no empo me obi a me wabojo kire se me buabufu a me hye me ho so na ma tolerate ni pakro se de ote na empo me de bia kana bra bo ho na baba bo etompon. If I'm able to examine myself to know that I've elevated myself to these levels, then I can go into relationships. Me say, eye wodo, ni nyina so, ene se obe pega ho akodum pampanso bi a. Obe ka say me so madu, mapo. Mapo e wo widie mu. Mapo e wo susu mu. Mapo matenka mu. Na me wa ntobase me de ani je bra obi. Na metimi de bibia kan obi abra bo ho na edimu. Odofo ha na meja wo. Edin yam je so Nita Kotego. Udin obo anka mepe. Mate metawase. Mamenna camera for and sound, MCR, lighting, and empo me producer Randolph and na Webe Campedu ase. Wa unya mre hwe me nsoso no. Me da ase. Unya onyame entina.
Akasema dunum na no nsia boade shema yama munyina che mo akwa bamfa Adom TV Badwam kase so yedani aseni ni nkranhyensem ene benada no pay so ode abraye samasie na braso sawuti bie na Environmental Protection Agency mpanifo de kokobo magana fo nyina se emre na yewo mu no mframa no mu asesa enti obi anhwe ne ho ye yede sansem ni kire mu no ebebra mo na afa yakọ TUC Fonso de to International Labour Organization anim se won kire aban no ahokire ne ya doso adwumayefo so no onye enhyehyɛ ahodo betumi aboa ama adwumayefo so atimi atena ye sansam no ne sembi ena no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase no ho Go TV 176 DSTV 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT se den samni kire mu ankasa etie Environmental Protection Agency, Trinity say EPA, say Ghana for Obia enye ahweye ewo nei emfutro ye nam ye from mamu ene pe brantam bia say unitie ewo mamu no bia hwen ho ye ubehunu na kwabrane ni hwene mu sonsuo na no nyina wo se prada anti obia hwen ho ye de wo so wo ye e de bo ho ban free eye code ene nyarwa hodo bia yenya ewo emfutro mu no bia behwe abo no ho ban Adom TV kase etwaso.
Na wo ma kire yen se mframa e bofa mpapre no so mpapre no ye desert Sahara bofa so sa de mfuturo na nam mfuturo no bi na atwa fa ye hanom a ye huni aka bomu eno na ye ka se eno wo ho na emum ye ne ansuso ye ne ye bi ayeye a emmoa ebi ni gya hyehye ne amahunu hyehye rubber ties ewira wa prapra ne fie wadodo ne fie no atwagya atum aduane kura ye no an behwe na ya kagya agum na wisie tatatata nyina ka ho bi ana emmoa
enwachi ena Ghana Meteorological Agency anamusini Joshua Samuel Badwumedi na sibi editu dwase omanfo nhye kwan se epeyi ebekwa akosi obenimbosomi no nsutobre ne hyase a ena sanfram boni a ebo a ede yewa papun ene homu mu hawo eba no eto ebetwa.
In the past few weeks it was even raining in parts of Accra and the eastern western regions. It was still the harmattan, but we had a relaxation in the conditions that bring the harmattan. These things are still there. So until the season is completely over, you can still have them coming back. So let's not rule it out completely when we see the relaxations. Until you have the onset of the rainfall season for us in the country, we should not think that it is over.
Mayento akasiano so na young concern for Fromo na Trades Union Congress said one more here anymore say International Labour Organization ILO 4 ebesha aban ne kete na wode nhihye bi ebema ahokyere ya ewa adwumayefo so no ebetumi aba fom ewo nei said the economy no aye bibie wo hoi. Director General Wada ILO ano abomayimu ensrahwe nafua miensa na Trade Union Congress TUC mpenufo de nsemi etonani.
Won ko fie no so bibie ni wa won ekogina so e de ahwe won ebusua ade we ade a hayen as a construction union and yenim say wabe oni amampani be kasa na won weltumi etua e car won de contractors no yatoto no memu no ma yatoto mu no contract so de ma bi say 1 cedi na de ma na that time e ko be say 3 cedis and because of that one so this car or dey e bi o project bi o so on ankasa on finance Sadi a cripple won ama won to me nye de won be eno ye main factor because you share on the won can say sikani wo ni a won di tua workers no
wonom kasa no akiri na Director General Emma International Labour Organization and so den semsei etsodwa.
We are in a world today with all the geopolitics and the multiple crises, a situation that is not easy situation for the workers in general, not only in Ghana, not only in Africa, but in the whole world. So in that global context, it's very clear to me that we need a fresher or an additional dose of social justice. We need to ensure that we drive this institution, this organization, to be the leader in the world for a better social justice.
Workers bear 7,000.
Mayentwa so na nei sa woko National Resolution Center hono mu a sa wofuo pie ye ko ye bankwada school of one so ebowura mu pie ko banie a nyina no egina say school placement no nti we no ye self placement anasa wo mu a wo haw ewo babie de wo mato yes sando ni ade no eswani so ka she ko jomensa brown pa di akire etwaso
Ghana ni mapa no atusu school 6 na school 6 no yentima manem ba kokora no ena menti ase ena se nko man fa school ma ya ntusu kora na nkafa so so
se binu nya 30 34 39 ya de kro ma mo school na kro nya 16 no wonya school medwen ho amenti ase
onya 26 wonya na ba mu abuso be ko school me pa mo cho bi na mo nya man ya why yes fa mo sare be bom o man na school bi akra but they see an oya de asia binum krampo a omunya be se ono nya 23 ban nka ebinu nya 40 omunya good schools but ono de one man school bi akra
pa na ombe boya my self placement no amundoso
Nana Frasika Mensa free SHS Secretariat Deputy National Coordinator. One so edin same say eto yamani boni eni.
Last week numbers in that doors, but you are resolving majority of them. And then so they know so but I think a repetition or more mobile last week most of them nana esa eba and but ye be hwe no ye frefre most of them ye my staff no eba be frefre most of them e can show me say ya resolve your mo issues or mo konkohwe kenya system challenge kakra and ebia ofo no kwa notice board or say ebia ni din e mo ho eno ye auto placement eno na ebia school no e dia board notice board we na oba no ye yema we special placement into enya dia school no ebetumi enya a print obi yi edi abo notice board one after the other nti wo kwa eno ane se be kwa ko hu administrator no a check system no so se within wo ha no do prospectors ama no again ni admission
Mrashe bedwani ma this year wo Boss East Dr. Patrick Boachi Adom de atudwa kire mu se ne yawofo ema wani nku wo mofra no ho partitu ene wo nwumasua se be ya won daache ebe kwa ni mo nei wa Paul ye junior high school mienu ho ntoma ewo Anyumedu krom ani asokore eno de sansemi etudwa.
New school blocks mienu na ye bia no. There were kwabrafo so JHS no eno ye 2 classroom block. And there was sonkore no so ye 3 classroom block. Ni nyina ye di nkonwa gum a bibia wo ma ye de ama ya hand over ene e de ama school empanyimfo. Ennei oman bia betumpon a ya desua. Oba na wawo no ne dache se obetimi abobra akwanimu na emwani bi aso awofo no eso a agi se wo tai abofra na chi epia no mani sua nwoma no kwanimu aban ye na famu de o de free SHS aba abana kasa sa tinani ehwe basic school primary ni JHS any KG awofo so ya sede ne se yeso ye behwe se nkwada ne ba fie a o ma yo mu homework wafa book asua de
Faustina Emisa Mesni Crutch wo Boase East wono so da ne de se wono mesni no enyini pa ne senti amanipa bebre na aba betena mensini mu enu nti na ho ahia se wono musisi adan ne akade e beboa ma mensini no atimi atumpon no yie
tonkore community bia anyini yie pa ntantam so efise wo hwa somewhere 2015 wana AGA adwumayafo bebre ko fie no do na asonkware na omo besi wo modan enti amankwa na doso enti just for no mko shift mko anapa ne awia eno nti na nam so a ye abesi dan we se be ya shift no be free wo no mo ina akọ morning.
Chief Justice Adeto Ghana fo nyina anim se yenta wono achi na fei ya atentene ne adwuma no entumi nkoso ye o my Ghana mu wo kwan a ye hwe ye democracy no emu wo kiremu anyumaku ankrankro bibia nso nya gidie wo ye court ensem ahodo mu se be ye betumi aboa ama won adwuma ye mu nso no bibia betumi akoyie e de ama won.
Emphasizing that we have a collective responsibility to ensure that democracy thrives in this country. And this cannot happen with a well-resourced judiciary, which is the bastion of the rule of law. Nananom, distinguished guests, it is our resolve as an institution to build a system of justice that assures our litigants and countrymen of efficient, timely, and quality justice delivery. The court is here to serve you. Let us have confidence in the court process and make good use of the facility. I wish to humbly entreat Nana Grabehini and Nananom to desist from addressing criminal matters with all due respect in their places and allow the rigors of the law to apply when people are found wanting, especially in cases that cannot be settled.
Na won ba be mu so emfa moa na perepere a edi ebu man perepere a edi di asem se obi ye obone kra na hu se wa ye obone na court bu ebu afa ba che hu ase se ebu afo no enu na ajoje fonso mo fanya djuma na judiciary no emfa moa magana enya nkoso ni munya mamfo enya hoto ya besi da ma o na se chief justice ho odi ho wo abatu ye no e wasa die se o so ehweniye na wo de bua na de ode onya adwempa ebe si ye so atumi ehu se otwam hada achi a na hu se mpa gaben court me breso na me si ye.
Senior Vice President the Ghana Institution of Surveyors GHIS Suleiman Mahama de to abano anim se wo mu hia kade ya wo de be ye won mo adwuma fi se adwuma de wo mu nim wo munya ho akade de a ene wo be wie kra won de nsemi to dwabra ene won mo ene sentrefo di nkomo e wo se de won adwuma e ho nsam no etie na Adom TV pie ho a ye to so.
The last time a comprehensive map of Ghana was done was in 1974. Since then, Ghana has changed tremendously. If you want to do evaluation, you want to cost land, you want to prepare a plan, you need the basic geodetic framework within which to do it. So if it is distorted, you get wrong information. A lot of people accuse the Lands Commission, for example, of giving wrong search reports and the rest. It's because they do not have appropriate maps within which to base their information on. So they will the results that come out may not be as accurate as we will wish. So Ghana Institution of Surveyors is trying to discuss with government how can we improve upon that.
Nwechi osigned to Jose sisi womo ede emrebi akoto attorney general enimua wo hwekwan se omano ebegiatum asa mrei ojitum ebeboa pa ama surveyors a womo eye adwuma e wo man mu a woni tumi krata no eyi womo afiri wadwuma nim ama adwuma wo ye no akoyi.
Because right now you hear about a lot of surveyors who do not have the necessary skill to be surveyors, but chiefs, private people employ them as this, and they distort the information and deceive the general public. So when we have a Surveying Council Act in practice, and government itself is regulating how surveying is done, then you can tackle this question of bad surveying that is done all across the country, and there is no consequence for those who do it currently.
What's the status of the bill?
Well, at the moment, our information is that it is before the Attorney General's Department for them to finalize it and then submit it to Cabinet for consideration. And we hope that it will be done in the before the end of the year.
Nigeria need this year be a washano when you fear bear Adrianai, idea of the buyer a yoga. And they say Yakunu send them more than a demo say we then may watch Abusumensimo or Western North. They are not so do one buy and Adom TV trim.
Anthony Doye Nigerian. Na emisa galanse ya juma ya na dene ba kuruma. O ba wona ne nam fufuo bi num ne bae. E na omo be ya adwuma. Nti ewo mu a galanse adwuma no so de enyina faako. Ewo mu a na omo akọ na omo asan aba. Na emisa na nsia na ne ho dodo ne kakra. E na oman no eye ne mmoa me de ne koto hospital. Ewo dwa aboso. Na ya discharge ni yi ni ma ne ba danyamia. Yene na ne wa kuruma no emwa obe didi obe den o ene ni fiero ana oti ni fie ne mwa na ye de aboa ne saa na no afofi anto ata odi anya ni baabi kon
ani ama ni boni enkomotwetwe mu no ene wode adesrede eto manfo nyina enim se wonmoa se be ya wono be hu ohura yi abusua
yare ne ba ye ne de agya ye se baabi de hye na ye busa ne se be ya nka ye benya na abusua ni bi ana obi oben no nanka yama omaso atese sei na ato omobra ne wakwantu nso ye bo no wantimi ankyere na busuani bia ma yen sokra ya hu na kiri akwan esi a abeye omaimu ni nyina asem ne mesere sei abrantie no enye sei tofuwo bi na wawu na emum yare ne bo no ena oman no eboa ya na agya fofi anto ata ena odi anya ni baabi ko enti se wo na busuani bi wo baabi a se Nigeria yo se Ghana ha na ne ato omunua no e wa kwantu om no
I am free akwamu hine abusua pani de to amanyofo enyina nim se wonyi wo hu free su ne ban a obi sha adwuma se no wanwie na mamu ko a no mogya ato hosa na moa ema oman no enkwanenim ene womra so bedwani e de soso abofom a womu besi Ayamfree District Police Headquarters e wa Ayamfree wa Padencha West Mensinimo e won fifi mantem
kakra me hunu se eye police station a e wo krom ha no e dan pa police for no e de be yamu adwuma no e bi ni ho de e o ha no e di be 40 years ano kra no nya police for dia eye ye ni aye papa bi e na ode sa dan ne ma ho ena ohwemu nso a ekro no first no na ntisei sisi akoye ekro kese ena mining companies kra abamu akoye bi abama still e bi wom na wanum say ekro mining activities wo nso no ya na crime rate nso eye high
na kra na Chief Inspector Bosman Eyansa editor just say wo hunu baby na wate ho edi a che post ejuma ekuo no ebeboa momanfo ankasa timi abon ho ban ne senti obi bia mfa ne ho enhyem bi
I'm say about the slogan bia ba say you see something, you say something. And I'm a wa. And he said, "Oh, Tikroma, and I saw my muga. Nasa, Bibi Kosu, Nasa won't come. Now, we are my before. Say, Chrono, and I said, would do some air Kosu or Kroma. And now, Montema, baby, Nasa won't come. Oh, may you place us to try. Then a bear, crime rate in a back of
Ohine ya wo Apinto divisional area na nakwasi blay e de to mabunanim se ba bia wo mo bia wo mpotemu ho no wo mu bibia wo betimi enya adwuma afiri mu sensa bibia no wo twen se wo be ya adwuma e wa ba tenaye efutu nsemone Adom TV edi nkomoyi
so yo mom to gold ni na o yenkofo a they didn't even set to class 1 obo graduate no mo to wo oh yes pedro yeah school yes I'm not sure the church will teach you how to make money but they will give you salvation. You have in-depth spiritual words. And you can open your eyes more than the person who is ungodly.
Anu si ya pena Reverend Father Kisi Emim ya wono ena ye youth chaplain eni Adom kase twetwe nkomo edito mabunu no anim se social media ye wo yi obetimi ede aye na mepi ye de mfa so pa ebebro sent wonya isa wode ye adebone nko ano
na yen team na ye fa no digital world is another church ya kwanya ye fa so na ya kire se see your social media and find them na papa the pen be bring be hu se be a social media now or the attempt now or the pornography. But young people must get deep roots, first of all in God, in themselves and in the country. Now say roots is stronger and no na you to me build good structure as so.
The cracker no Emmanuel Chinebo ayo vice chairman Eda Catholic Diocese of Youth Sekendi Takra de ano any Adom kase etwetwe enkomo.
Ye futu amede be ma eye Catholic youth ni nyina so ne say ye nyina yembre ye ho ase ahombrase ebetumi de wadu ba bia umpo wonsusu se ebetumi adu nti yemfa ahombrase emfa nanti boye adwumem ahombrase boye na sorofo ahombrase dumbre bi kwa na se de obi kasa kire wo no obre wo ho ase a enam sa nipa no so ekwan bebre etumi edipie edema
Union groups ahodo besa nine ede to kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama nim sa 2024 election wonyina na wontimi new crash nkunim bise wo mo gidie ni arehemu so wono pe enene fu abuo no ahokire o man yi komo no obetimi ayi free mokuo no any motor riders union truth drivers union concerned drivers union ene some aboso kan spare parts dealers enene wo mo de nkrata akoma kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama wodin semwe etudwe
ye baako na ye campaign chechirenche edema ye papa na Akufo-Addo because of asemeda o ka kire yen say ye papa Mahama oyobi a onwene devers for ho because onwene devers for ho ntino petrol no sen kodema ye 7 cities and I say 6 cities every obaya masa enya kura no de say adena 14 cities no say went to me anti so kura de kenyina 14 cities wana ewa be 3 months no de bia ka ho ewa be 8 months no de bia ka say eh na sebi no bia je kwan afre wo pay ho masa fe na no den sesi amenu ka say gina sisi ka say petrol 1 gallon o check here kika ko 70 Ghana cedis
onipa ogine mu age enkrata no eye former chief of staff Julius Debra na odi to manfo yenim se enkrata wo mo ede aba no emu nsem no odi beto mampani dada John Dramani Mahama enim
simo ba pani cho se o me contest my no me president no say me yi o mining fee ahonwa ho amuwom no eno kwa ya adwuma mu na mo amana so ho anamusa so se be ya bo si eni abre no de ya yebotom sika so san yede ma wa piso it was me ka chem se nani aso bebre na odi nyame na yede edamase na mo ka yese you see amamu e ho no mpanifo ka se ya na dwen ni nyina ni nipa ba ko fotrim obi ho asabio onya na ofie nti eno went me anko secondary school anko university anko koya anke bi o ye president enti se udi nipanim na sabio obi oka okada obi oye fitani obi oka trotro e wasem bi no ka anka ne feso ne se wo ye di na ede utie
Paramount Chief ya wa Veno Traditional Council ye togbi doglu anoma ya wotoso nsia se nananum enka ye hwe se ba mo na ato pa no wote bi e won mpesua no so ana ne sase so a nananum ntoto na senke kan hye ho na mum mo na na di na afi ho asotwe bia no onfama
imba ye nyawo ma o baba ye maga wo nyawo ara le klalo nyamo manya ika ovo bolu na be a drop ayi nito ya pa senyala ika le bia pa traditional council na Peter Samnafo mi awo nana yare iko na workshop iko de nyawo mo na mi de ka da workshop ma ko mo ba ya ba yo katanya newly gazetted chief kata ya ano mona matepa ika
the Sharika, Nika Yapa door now, Nika Yapa Yayokatakuda, Gazette Portugal, or the Manamikata, the Kadamia Lake, Yanu, Azomia, Zome. That Piako, a Yanya, a blood and Yagbo, a Majiba, I got blocked about my Kuchamotanami. There was a Tokia New.
Na no si yepe ena oba hemo wa Veno Traditional Council mamaga pomebo otosumi no enso editu dwase mona to ya ade bia edi sunsunso bone ebre emaya senti sempanifo tu ho na monwa ebeboa
majada sa masira samonwa ade ba mi ahira sabo aha to never vie bana no momo anwunachi na Ghana nakpo ngoyi
Galamsey fo bi so asay asase yentambe 1000 acres eno wo fo ase wasante achem south ensure anuru no kra de o ma se no kra poto amyama ne boni erastus asare don kwa koho eden semi etwaso
ensure na de gu ekoko so obekọ no ensure na say untimi nya de hwe enti atam se fa boya me le bu ensure afiri krom na de ko afomu
afo sase beye eka apem adane mojimonka ani amana Galamsey for adane nsuo no kwan abro no ama aye dika.
So we are very close to the sound of champagne.
Ye rewremu ekopie enuru no ne fa baabi a champagne eye adwuma totototo na wo ho.
And we are very, very close.
Ye kopie Isaiah ene ne namfofo so se wode champagne ehunu nsuo no
ufrihi
ye hunu sa wo hwie engine oil a aye fin ene niema hodo bi egu nsuo no na so so ye no omudi nkomo no uhunu se enha no kra
ni se we nyina ekobo nuru
but ebia aye se no ebia ye di se no na iso na fili ha na akofo
kanem rashe bedwani ema asante achem south asese oye titrani anase board chairman ema Middle Belt Development Authority Alex Kwaku Kranche ede sobo ebo mpanyimfo a emra ehye wonsem se wama kwan ema ohawi ekoso
awere ho se ye wo ahemfo okrodua yimu ye wo assembly members ye wo opinion leaders obia nka ho hwe
Me nyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase ya no pai na ha ne bema kwan na ye de asie de adu so no de bonkrata no aye krado online stories no so ewo merade fa nkomra asumdwem se de aye no no se sei no numa bapa osimaduanan num ye de kase no abramu tie wie pe na chese de bonkrata ne ni aka no ha omahine kwabna santen so gina ne na so be mmemu a etwa so ha papa mu akwaba
Aji infasiri ishi dana makume die rusi eradia la eradia bada eradie oni meyofo ono ne mejo oye gozo obatampe waye ni o nyami waye bi no mawie
oh man can you better be who to that boy yeah
sure adwumu e kwa hwe nsem no wie na wa bo se enwum pa ma to acho na no pay ojo mensa support match GMS production jai enipa baji payo oh debi enipa baji payo lankasa
satan now ye DJ
enipa baji payo lankasa
now ye DJ dey
no hitman baby John Mensa Sapon obia baby Ajikot obia baby Big Ben obia you name it Catchy music you know Lisaf Goodies production emotia ayi ready nakopo emotia o motia ankasa ya je di nso ankasa ya ji ye di ankasa na ba ko de ebuka misim because me je ma mo na say the musimi be far he me say yes sika bia na edi emotia Ajikot Lisaf you name it Catchy music Kwame Mickey ne Goodies ne Big Ben ne just omo doso omo dozo yaji edi ankasa
DJ Hitman
sata mi na jiko to ba Dutch Maxi nye euro je Dutch Maxi send kon barre sleep music okreku majority kedi sa Marco Kreku sleep music and then deputy minister Ruade Jacopo okreku mark o free fan hunye ne na the slim master mu nyina etua Harry Lord mutua untua sen yaji bia di o amadidi ache dachi medidi ache
asa dance wudidi
edi ache obia
me say dance wudidi
o yegusu didi edidi ni de kopem so be ko anu atuma nya beto nsa afro no ubedidi sa ubedidi peche apa
DJ Hitman na no one dey Hitman ma now Hitman
oh me there be me yonku bi makofori asante kwadwa asante ana ede maame machiao afia man kwa dika chia dada na kwa ebna dada de yakra na ebufu obi asese wo yire ho a wo be ye adwuma wo wani abre na asa kwa ebna dada no na wo sound minister designers a o makoyam eye vantage dokuno e di akakadro hwentia formisa and all those things am dey from obona no pa monkoso membese meka akanfo kasa ne bi ache wo de monka hyen egodu mama esum e friend esum ebi numu da ye nyina ba adwuma na obi aso na hye na fu masa no pa na wa na ba be gina akasa
eso onya bia bedi
medi dodo
na ebra
edi no kru ebe peje gba o se ya catch o fi ahye wase nrada ye den sachrai kese pa baba adwuma dia edi mo anti afi no wasa be join the usual bedroom ye ko ba ba hwa afia no nsia kase no on baby odi akoshe odi aba nanim anene ye the workout activity sem online stories no le di enkomo kakra afei akwasi nsia di asem edi ka be ba be kan ho han mi sin enu ye bra me ne afia man kwa di enkomo wi enu achi no na chese enkomo ahodo ho no so na ye di bro na ye di agokansie ho nsem ye di bro na ye di eye interviews ahodo so na ye di bro na ye di pensi mu so abro bra no so aba permanent aduanan 740 and a special guest and in the deputy minister lands and natural resources Yerua Duka Obaba kan say one say na kwa kopim say non kuno ebebo nti unya pa o ti na biribia da was say and dey amna ye de cross amna ye hun kakra ne say wo variety of options but anopa bia ne biribia da no gibre e de afidie ne to ha ye da ase pa onyame nhirawo de wo ye bi onyame nka ho no ntene ne mo nhirawo so only Adom TV one of the products multimedia edi djuma okwanso so jeje say onso ana muntu no betu baba menka obiribia da waso ana power bomb pa awie no bobi magana emu mpanyimfo opposition for asofo adwadifo a driver 42 Ghana ni bi okoye djuma filling station attendants omo bufu alia na phone tu omaso yesi mi enyisu mobile money so na phone tu omaso yesu yaso de ye car engine so iti o man chichire no saa mi o man kitinkitu nyina na bibia da no yen kai kai ho fa new town a ya twi gotem roba nyina ni fi nyina begu kwanum ana car tires na me shira iti so no to a na saa level kwanum na kwan na egusu kota na saa tintima baso nya second layer and a different layer iti ni nyina no mo ni na ho ye ka kai nyina ho kakra tori wani ref driver for so mo jira kwan fifi na mo fa nipa a passenger for so ka chemo driver ni jina kwan fifi na okase be fro na ofro na ache traffic na egba ben pin na mechi didi ache mo fa so ho de fa nkwa na moko nya Ghana ya na moko edi sa indiscipline we nyina no si entimi ahwe na ya moa no yi a ho na problem no eba no mi wura mo aso na fia man kwa de jimi so erade nkaso hu ye mobo no on tutu ya na mo nsi if say baby aye suko no da say su akogina ho bi and it's so worrying
enwa omone
kase
ekasa Adom FM na o se de fie na aye mo
we de mutina kra ba bibi so to check yourself and you can enipa mi ensem wo
ama
oha adiosia prepra
enwa asase wo so no yesi ebiem se si wo take ho nti e ho asam no yesi se de ehu
awrade hu ye mobo
ehu nti me de ambassador ne Ghana fo aka ho de mo mra
na fia udwana kwan We need to be there for them. Yeah, Mompaye. And yeah, the kitchen, Bribia, the because if you are man, quite some or cows or no pie, or one was what I did. And you may have the problem. It is a one or Sako row, as I could done. If you're able to do this, at the morning now, would then Yamia say, if you say, if you sorry on a pa. Nahe, a reano. It will be him chillassen, even the next second. Timesre moa ye ba ne ye ka say radio humo bronto eso a nye se yade bia keke onye se because onyame humo bronto so a
one hwan
nyoma bebre wo abekwa kotom se turudu obi atu hyen otu ni hyen na dan mu adwiri se bram ana begu be bia na hyen ne wona obi adu forest oni na mu nuam ka akwan mu otwa mu na dua mu cream ne tokwan. And yes, sir, we are skillful driver, and I'll be teen. I'll call you. Debbie, I am another. Obi tied to your dear to your ultimate call, obi dear to you, or crochet room at Yafas. Kumasi a crack when ye track obey. Obi first time Oko fast or call maybe. Walk obey 3,000 times. Unyame de Okoba. Asedakeke is key. Gratefulness. Aseda, very key.
And one may catch me boy. So Mompaye no na say no Mompaye say
e je no ade no carry over ba
Mompaye say menye sa o yari kura na e no ho aye wode o ka say ye wa o ya kura but
e so the sha adwiri nim
me na fe later no
o ti ase e so the sha adwiri nim
wo ko school na ba ye o ka say ye wa
e so the sha adwiri nim
so de nyame ase driver no obefa wo no ko ye no o ka say ye
na say ebi ma a driver for our form some of the Mukusku business. You who driver in Wakada.
Sir, school for ya, bus, Quenya, Bio horse.
I touch yeah.
Where?
Obibo, what you have a fan on a passport of Kusu. And we are saying that the ideal thing that the president John Ramon can say, and we are saying she will be, and 70. Now, if you shall say, Craig Jenny by Nady, you are not guaranteed.
The other day,
yes, you're not guaranteed. Until you can't. But 70 say live every day as if say today, no, and your last day. Because Bribia Dano, who do to an amount see it is only the very important. You're quite some so. I had Mr. Erika de Uncomo, Nipa, me and son, I should on quite Hansi and so no, Yaka said, Omo Prepra,
and right 2 weeks.
I see you, Hono.
First one is the second, and no announcement. SSCA.
Oh,
and when I was a rather bem, when you met bet me a man in such a man near my jaw. A rather so by you. What's it from injury to Africa's finest? I choose best year of as Black Star. I always was a man. Over local news and no Iraqiti Amonosu, only Omochi Yamo. Industrialization is the only way to grow economy. Katie Hammond and sports. François Kassa. We should set up a fund to support our choose family. Stephen Amwa, Kasa with you. Stephen Oko, you know,
sticker, me Jidise, to once more. Newcastle also receive funds on the build the school of Ghana at the Asher era, a year Christian at Munyam. Maybe on the crowd will be around in funny. It's very sad. Very, the commentaries around New Woon and Nipa dance your moody funny, your ban and gratitude. Yeah. Or shed the all go through now. It's so painful. It will be a very, very painful. Me fa we so nka ho na no fe headline bi a so won say what an assassin yes assassin
say EPA ne meti central for share masam ne yetia ye nyina ehwe hu ye I think said this time nsuo no yenom na mo
nsuo
yenom nsuo more because too dry enti cold bi ne namu a enye easy
nsuo ne yenom nsuo adjupa na say room temperature
yes
okay
no but
do you know
emunso yeshe
nti no bu na kwan be so no
na wo de no afem but enonum cold ne saa we ho a wanum cold nti yenya saa but a do point be in your life
you have to stop it
yes adibu ho
obi an kan kiro edu be kwa
akudi adibu ho a o ye kan ntie sami meja abusia ya chie obua ana yoke
achi parago jai se be okabo so miensa
me say season
eti brain so obi an kan kiro
obi anka one or video mu wa wo beja yi enti de kan say ye so no mo ye hwe adidie mu yi enti ayi owura EPA papa de say ya
kokofu yes
prasa de to ho apart from say ye hwe ye ho enema hyehye bi tie share no ni ade no so yentete sa because climate change na na ewo mu no asesa kra na drop fo no
that's the tie e pam owo no montum boss
ye ko bon kusie no sa na akyereke no eno so yenhwe yi
no na tia faso
wano ojo no wawie adum no mum yenya careful
me otachi ma na fire for no EP for no bomodin part that time classic FM na e bedu sa bre na weda na in skills bi na ade ba ko mbo e ko kukusi bofo mo amoko nkrantie ni mo abefo mo koto abe na mo amoso mo to mo no motabi no wona mefo mo na o second answer to do make sure say obetia so na de bibi issue beguso it's very important very important and I know how much is going now so why the na say adum
dia se nsuo mu kura
wanya careful de koto ball ani ma wanya ba so na tia fa what I say
ya careful ye na dia ba ko mahu awrade nkai me na mdu fi amesa me kai na me ref me du ha se na maka ye cylinder no tube no nse eyi ne famu sa ye den
okay
minim se fire for taka nse ho aya yensesa
wo ho anu asa rubber
because I think say bet me empire na
but who is that no man dey say tie bia no kra no yensu yenji brain nye monitoring kakra because ne ho ahonte a very good servant but ne ho ahonte wa anya careful I be wi achi no ana ya na nkwada nso ofia emi ani nkom in the usage of sa no man no ya mi ani nkom nya sa ahu ya no ankote asempa na ekoyensem bibre onyame nkoso mboye ho ban yensu yani na ho yenya hweyi because bambo ne hweyi na very important na yentina ne nwunase de biara da se de be ya ye be fa asase we a nipa se mo yedin e onioma pada so asase na se asese mo yedin nso nipa bi ne mu da so di yie wo asase so
ya brabo
so what I say yes brabo ni mo yedin ba nipa bi da so di yie
obi hu
enu ada nko am yonko bi o mama sere se o se aketiesia bi ba no ma o hwe ni phones too ba ku bia over 10,000 cities and oba so betre na ne dan ka so so betima support na amana ye and obi so dan is no so 24,000 cities and also okay you what na we dey go so obo na osusu bibi ho ache say phones meni obetima te so aba normal phones di bia na nka bo obi obenya no ono atimi di a support no account say run no see no I said that a copy
was only one
it's very important. Who cut you coat according to material awo so what you say be careful nye bibia na bribia da no otisi ye difin bia na okodi bi mesrew onye adwuma nso kura two phones I'm wondering what you do with phones for onye adwuma okura two phones wadwuma no so eye ba okati na enheda nko anim sa so bia so person di okempiski timisrew o person ye prema ni a ense onya ho akade o person ye prema ni a ense onya ho akade ana ene kura no sikasie ho abamfaso chese unim china de betima sa ba ti biribia da no nyoma bebre wo se wo adjust kane no da bia da na odidi imprensa ampa eyeso obedi imprensa nti kwa bra bafa so abete imprensa ne so na odi full plate a bia odi half kakra na o save nkitinkiti ne so aka no ye maye ni na ho ne ntimi save is key very key yesu so fi ani so ntu ni paso de wo ye bia no once the crana is better but then that one they wait my catch wa say one kasa odia is important and so ya no pa e ma wonyi wadwene say usika show bi botom usika show bi abotom and so ya no pa calculating judge obi say obi tiri mo odi na say obi asori the stream oba besia now the biribia da no they also no wakwanya say oye adwuma onya adwuma ofa ho ntimi nya adwuma wo amenya ntade bibiri wo amenya dan bibiri sa era no a fade out long time ago.
No, for the only abusu.
Mesre mabunu titiru. Debi Adam ayam hihye from 16 to 45. Another dangerous zone. Say really pa. And some of what to do the work at MC Akadodo na crown say the new crusading guide say Ghana's economy will thrive through industrialization. MPP to fix date for presidential and parliamentary primaries. The Chronicle showed the Abase reduced ministers from 86 to 65. Minority tells Akufo-Addo, but the Federal Markins calls out opposition. And we are solidly behind you, Dambahine and Asho, Alan Kojo Chemanti. KT grilled over sale of GMPC drill ship. And the Ghanaian Times saw tension mounts in Nalerigu, attempts to arrest Mamprugu overlord. Kingmakers foiled. Youth go on rampage, destroy property. Yes, sir. Say, DDEP, debt restructuring, not panacea for restoration of broken economy era. Dofo Anakase, and I did nothing wrong. Katie Amon rebuffs allegation, says he saved state money. They find that the Obakata broader consultations ongoing to fix date for MPP primaries, chairman in team, Akasa. And 4,432 free SHS placement complaints resolved. Deputy Coordinator Akasa. Alan is a son of Dambai, or Himponso Akasa, big one. Foreign trips will not be approved if plans are not submitted as directed. Chief of Staff, Emma Fremo parents, so Nifonia Dan also. Akasa, if you
are. Comment fancy.
Yes.
Ain't you know, Yadueno, see at the Bocratani news in the see her brother so called Juma. Rather found Comra, assume Jim removed to Miss joining live on Facebook/Adom TV. Ye caught na Quabnane, Quasinsia, Twasso, Asemidika, et wasn't Tiafia, among Quata Macro, me Conafe. Rantan said, now now should be the Asemidika, et Twasso.
By the moon, I must say, trying to come on so I'm saying, this is the new Badwam. What I say, medical, a very important. Bribada, Pakacho say, and Kaka, one. What to one will be the 6 or 9, will be the 4 done or quiet. A bribada, a bone, Kaya say, we Cosusinto, we are a day we and your papa, we as a say, oh, we dear. A buying your position, with the businessman, we businesswoman, oh, with the contractor, oh, with the journalist, oh, with the teacher, you are born more than Pano. Some commodity and the anchor Kayawa. Or my cry in your 10 years share whom cry, no be other, say Bibi Koswa in Huni. A very important. Or mine so won't shame crying, will be to watch Amasa minor, Anna Edding Pie. And Nuntin and Wakunya say, a sembiara a hinta, and I say about somebody a bemno, it be Kakayo. Now Kakai for no. Hong Kong so one name we see for. Tiano pe come home. Nay, na for Syria ni muna. Ko ye betwi ani mu ni abobi so abaso. It you the Syria ni muna a mixed feeling. Ye fa ma ye presidential correspondent on the end channel the man for court. Akwasi ensia. Akwasi Ayasemo akwasi sia na asaba no eti no ada o kan komo no die ne say yenhwe ma pa de wonsem no ho asem nka je baby ebo na kodu no ama ye nua manom ne maame nom ne yesiwanom ne omo bre wo pa de tonum ye nyina nso ni pa de ho mfaso ne ensunsuanso ase ye nyusu ya ebetimi de abra na ebi ne okra na afi o kai ye bosha hodo a titu aban o so mu nipa bi ne mu kan ebra aban dada no a oni su biem no or the pad who so by said that by our she kasa fa ni nyina nkamfu ano na epo woman say SSC di pad ho nkomo yi na ye nkurase na ye potem no pad ho asem embe asem hia ema ye nua manom ni emfa nkyerechire papa ema ye Ghana for ma the relevance of the usage of pad we be catchere say T-roll anomu use, and that's quite unhealthy and very dangerous. And they minim say na brothers dey nyamedia to na commercial a obeka che akwese ma mo achi na mebuza prekopese ene so dey fa asem yi wan ose edika
kwabra esini panso ya ade a osai na before be call abasbody ne so no anopem say o sha se nyina de nyame asem na sha se ne sa mesre ye papa no masofo yesre ye na gidifo baby a wabna wiase ne keka kono or send your nipa ojidi biano, you should be able to know that thing for yourself. So no se nyame e na wosomna ene nyankoponya enkitahudie be yourself.
Say nyame a
that is it.
Na wosomna there should be that relationship.
That relationship. Ene kwase kwa say yisem kusi o man hene so asana. From about 2 weeks ago, and Master Tiridini, maybe from United Kingdom. Yeah, mo say the Church of England person musa tricky Bible na ya benye gidie ni arehwemu wo mu ni biem ni say baby bia obehunu he e wo bia no on person mu change no mo de gender e be show said be that he na there be qualified no he be yeah qualified as God no obe qualified as either he or she, making people understand say may assume say Nyankopon ye bema he could also be a woman. This is where you do it is because say it is better say ube who say that experience that is it. Yes, no crese kwa bena betina se na da bia ye bebu nkompa kohwe enema Nyankopon ye ma Sarah or ye ma Jacob or ye ma Job, but the question is say dear na why ye dear ma, because Job, Jacob, Sarah, Hannah, Mary omuni hobiem it is obi pesu ohunu Nyankopon a nyame aye dear ma wo no eso ya dance get it na Roma 4 mpa be kwa bena ye me de o say mo Mary adoma shawma awrade na ote wa shira o mem o shira o yefu ma ba Jesus Mary kronkron nyamini bompa ye maye na de bonefo sei ni bra eni ewieye sei eni bra eni ewieye.
Oh wow Anapay
kwa bla ba di nkomodi afa the number of ministers.
Right.
Where do we cut off? Let Professor John Evans Atamos the almost best 70 ministers na year juma. John Dramani Mahama betumu kwa around 80. First term of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the equal best 120. Nobody knows the next figure that will be coming from the next government. Because Ghana constitution be what was say. Nipa dudu amampeni no si akonya so epepe so betim no maye adwuma no
ogidi se
so betim no maye adwuma no saa nipa dudu na amampeni mfanya adwuma eti nne si ekodanya na se 2025 abanfo froba no se mi kaka me na hwene ma pese me ma Ghana minister 750 na pese no ye adwuma Ghana fo ntimi nka hwe
emra na mahokwai
ma hokwai ba sabi mpanisi edura manfo so a yakai yanom. Baby and free ba somewhere 2009. And somewhere NPP penfobi kan about number of ministers. Yeah, the then late Professor John Evans Atamos, former President John Dramani Mahama the year Juma 70-80. NPP penfom yet say ho a doso do. Since the mama no ko wiem say Ghana sikasem to me supported that number of ministers. And this same penifom sorry tia ye eku editia the number of ministers at that time are the same people kwabra supporting over 100 ministers. And ekwem say baba say 80 something second term no kura e womma ye osomane say baby a Ghana ye dru baby a ye kono wabena obi abeje to say we don't need this number of ministers. The question is say ministers no cry ye 13 pona man pentim na ndidi o machi say than 100. First time uko education ministry near were 4 ministers education near were Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh as the substantive minister and there were 3 deputy ministers. Oh, you na ko mampani atena for the same education ministry no. Ni esa obako no so ti mampani atena ye ebu company ni ehwe ne ekoso ministry hono. Et education ministry na kasa no. Ni wo mpanifo enum. Ena na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo airborne to 2016 meka kire Ghana for say. Ye pese free senior high school ye osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Shasie esrementif de mantem no. Ye ntema no ko Ghana fa na ba bia. Mampani ma yeti asese empenfo num ye odi education so monsa no omuntimi hwem ma free senior high school enkoso etie santi free senior high school secretariat anopam tese na afia news o kana yem say news ne deputy coordinator school free senior high school Ministry of Trade ne wa so for makum yensa ye wi yesi Akufo-Addo bi aba ye freno one district one factory aso for yensa kwa bro man timi ahweso Mampeni sa kokote secretariat for 1D 1F.
Government president special initiatives no.
Eno ewo. Yes. Any ebenya Zongo ministry. Any ebenya administrative arm of the Zongo ministry. Omnem na bisa unda sokra ho. Na mbisa osa me pacho wa oti Zongo. Ye team ministry finhia 9 ede maamo no. Wasetrem te se wo. Bibia sesa. Ye dimambo kura ma the then minister for West and House no abo attach abeka kire say ye kwa akosi villaggio ewo nima. Ebe pem na minim se na kwa akodwiri na gu akosi villaggio na. Obi nim de besi. It is time say oh my God ebetimi aka kire mpanifo say enough is enough because mpanifo ya pa omo nyina no. The over 100 ministers a problem for first time no kwabena Obia S. Gracia ego because S. Gracia is in such a way say ministers Article 71 holders no mobile officer ye determine your salary to betimi agia within best of 4 years and sani about determine ye determine you say oh no get 1,000 be years onko 2,000 and then you count 1,000 e ka chiri nyina fa kan e fama no eti aso so sika Ghana eso be boa no sa de ma sampanfo a e be so mama nyina da bia me ka cha manfo so man kan sika sam enyina yie obiso enkasa because man no ma opna ejira yie na sia Ghana Statistical Service in pen for the nhwem bi o me ye betu ja say abadwume for Ghana is 688,000 80% salary is below 3,000 3,000 Ghana
can 30 million
80% that's amount to about 500,000
nchichemu aduowotwe
bosumi akatua is below 3,000 Ghana cedis
wow
Then you said my resume who said the inflation of 53%? Ebeto 3,000 iswa. Sika what 10%? 1,410. It was minus kasem enjire ye. Ye be high ye be catch am say ye pese ye the kakra bia ma guarantee ye nya thousands of ministers to help us accomplish that. Mr. President, ese be bia president Kufuor eya come here say o katwia ontie. Mebaka se Ghana for sene yam no anye de wona na Kufuor so a the next government that will come after Kufuor whether MPP continuation whether NDC whether CPP PPP and the beba man yen ko blame omo bebre because the kind of hole na year 2016 no for the next government no is becoming deep already. The next government no about 100 billion Ghana is a card and anim bond. Ya convert. Yes, haka no eda hon ma etwe no. Yo ba be sorte. E ka wodo be brede da sa the next government every es ye kase na Kufuor da pen we so a it is not because say ye be so no nkwa ne be you. 2021 Ministry of Finance and SOEs state owned enterprises edi enkomobi about a kaya aban nyumakuo wabena ebo. E ba to mam sa story no. Government SOEs a kayomo ebo for the year 2019 alone. Kobere recorded debt of 586.4 million Ghana cedis.
Losses.
When you COVID bro. Nya because COVID ya Antonio ma. This is 2019. State-owned enterprises post 586.4 million Ghana cedis losses in 2019.
Sikasuno pao.
Now, on my Rosmes but our Aben could be a friend of joint venture. Say Abai any ankra. They make profit of 100%. But a koba say Aban kwa jumeni. Aban ni pa area so no. E kase na kwabrabo. But aban any ankran kakabo mu no ye nya mfaso wuka aban enyumako ye wo about 126 omaja pade o mase bibia ebuma amount to about 110 billion Ghana cedis. Kwabana assuming say afibia omuti make profit of about 10%, we are talking about 11 billion Ghana cedis. Anfani page makwanya nya best 700,000. 2021 yi and our finance minister ne CEOs no assign contract we say wa more ho modern
performance contract.
Yes, ye be pamo. A Minister of Finance and Siga and a cabo mu yes harden. Asamwa time. This is 2021. And now you can say your 2023. Ye nim baby a performance no akwakodru. Ba me part of me come and online 2023 President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo MET CEOs no ewo Eastern region.
Okay, so Akufo-Addo edges.
Kwabrete na mampani kan ya mane ko wie mu say CEO ya wa mo ho modern no meyi wodi. Me part of 2021 ye no mo sign performance agreement. Ye just wa mo ho modern automatic. Obeko. Me part about 1.5 years down the line, man, penny say kai CEOs ne so more money on me say
underperforming SOEs to set up. Omontrasi, omujuma yen se sinto omontrasi.
2021 the ho.
So shall say 2019.
That is it.
Ekabaye.
And
2021 buy.
You be sign
contract say.
Yes.
Monhwe na sinto buy be pamo.
That is it.
And 2021 e China yakọ 2022 no.
23
no.
Yes.
Kokobo amampanyin sa. So this is February 13th.
February 13th.
Oh wow.
It hear me sounds on mine no, ye call the same. On my Ghana no, ye the air call the same. Meanwhile, that's how CEO said that I buy me ko out doing and so your salary your mutia. Allowance see a can one and ya the and I ask myself, why do we still continue to sit on the Jumakua, Boka, near that's to chase you, Neka, no, that's to office.
It's a Sana Ghana here.
And CEOs need be able 2 deputies. CEOs need be 2 deputies. Et ni pa miensa mpanifo miensa ene hwa ba nyekolo nanso still ya boka.
Akwasinti ye kwa enimi e de na ene asemi ka beso.
President Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo should not be given this. Yatra ho.
Ompia omunsi abo.
Yatra ho. Some of them need to be sacrificed.
Yes, sacrifice.
That is it. Pam nipano. And it is getting to a point, say, with all due respect, I say, a young man, we say, Mampeni for what power mono, they feel relaxed. That is it. Because when we say, Penina, yes, no, once a sign ne, and a sign china. And nothing or feeling relaxed. Ye me pe bia because e den ya wo beka saa mansu ato ewima ba enya dia pani ne be pame eti ne mete wona ma aban eboka eye kakese gu oman Ghana so no wonwe ho because boso mesu a na katwa ne beba obeji free food na yate so about 50% onchia danka onchia light bill onchia water bill won to credit ya ban afa cook e dia mano ya fa gate man e dia mam security e dia mano ebi mu kura wo kura to the stand say ye wo police ni a otene kanim and also security man a osawo ne fie but this same CEO Emma ban eboka.
All right, Asemedi I told you say ya sha ase de hinte bia de say so manage no wo hwe de kasa ni ma ade ba akọ se yedweno say o man Ghana mu adehye no eye mrekuni no saa sinto a wo mu ni ntokuru bi da de mu a etimi faso de ye nyoma bi ni kwanse de ye if you say yan hwe emrekuni na aban beba ade am ye ma hima no pe ni say o say amna yanka say yetu esa ye twa no say yan ye careful ebe mene yen ana ebe yera ekiri kwan onipa bia so a wo bobra bia no say wo twa sa ntia say wonim say wo chia chia no wanye obi te say asebidi kan akwasi nsia ka kire wo no pe say saa ka say mampenya ho brasiem saa bire we nye bire de kakasa say saa bire bran kakasa asumesi ne obentin edika bo mu kokko 2019 e ka na emene isa mo na mo ntu amutu nti ene mi ntimi isa me ka ya tro krata ba mo se fo adwuma gu ho ti enu sam pempenso na enu no asaka bi no ama yemu dudu na meka se yemu dudu na ye adwuma ma ban no ubo nse o ye da if say si yetin o ye twa o ye modimo ne ye bre o ti sa chichide kwa na obi ene obetima ye bibia o ma bia so a obechechire ne sa se de be ya nipa ntimi o se I am shishie bi ni o man ho do beda yen so no is a problem for us. Minim de wa for free man no pay. Wa o ya ban dwuma eni so minim de o kan na se wo for free man no pay. Minim if we say ye nyina no ya hwe ye ni anchichire Ghana. Se CPPU, se MPPU, se NDCU o sa ka sembi. Sa ban bi a wo take over whether MPP na etwa so, whether NDC na eba betwa so. Whether a CPP and cyber to us, still we have a responsibility as citizens of this country to change the environment we find ourselves in. What are my people?
Ministry of Youth and Sports. Minister no abaso.
Okay.
Yem say Bosuin bako entem ni nkomodie bi akoso ememu fa coach Salastete na setenemu ya na enkuyi. Penny betu just say 2000 and omkwaji under 20 worker buy no. Aban then Professor Johnny Van Satames Chobobo. Ye discern me be ye investment e de ama omo eno achi onu coach na aban so man be say $4,000 from 2009 be pem ne na ne san kan say ska no. Ena ne yare mu aye din. Enra ma we say Ministry of Youth and Sports and pen for kon chain akona do ya baba say 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
I think a good step say pen for catch the omo no omo tie no asopem. But the answer ka omo say under 24 investment na ye de mo omo no. Na ye 10 to 15 years. Ebe so nyame adma next year.
Wow. Akwesi adwin o. Yini sika me ha esa. Yibi tua. Akwesi adwin o. Yini sika me ha esa yibi tua. It's always good to listen to such information because a boy about to be the two could dream about to be the bobra. It's important. Say a segment like Asemi Dika I uncover the cover soon. It's important to watch and listen. Yako buy the go can see some Eddie bro. Yakwaba.
Akwaba kese me de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwo ndwumadi so dia wo kan see some pan sa kan no pan so ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch bakope the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono kwanten kodin small do sa kan no pan so e wo Ghana agudie ejao nyuma koni emiensa omna bom sika dwetre me na no pay ye den komo no eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the hintasima we chance utwa no before wodin befu utwa no kuma bi odin kuma sa no manum ka kire abusuafo na fofo yere ma ofasefo na na mukrumu eno mpramfo nyina nse omopamu financial freedom dia 1xbet eno ene bet betia saboa emaniama etia tutu ye ediamom hintasima we bet ni se utwa no before odin befu utwa no kuma bi a wodin kuma sa no manum tibomodin da se utwa bet nso ade adwene kakra to esan se bet diwa wani betia pruso ebetia kokko adwene betia bomotim so betia sa hyehyew enti utwa na ade adwene kakra ato oni mu feni nwetwe mfa ho njim emo pe bet we nyina chi a 1xbet ana medi wadanse ediamano Jeffas Mr. Do Tatashi infections gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white fever, and so deep one actual a dribble proper harawana no bon say kama Emma ultimately in Chiniche, Cantibomotiada, say on Sabitia Jeffas Mr. Alcohol shops and pharmaceutical shops in Emma, Jeffas Mr. Elhorma on set to make a bit in Abua, Sedimo gel and roll-on, your ultimate pain relieving gel, you can't do it me to your DSA. For a pampas be pimonasia a sedimo gel and ronon a shaman me market and afen so tema so kwa sabitia san kabi o modern da son sabeka sedimo gel and ronon na entimi mo emanema enti 22 yima upe bia tu aton ana se wo to de ye ho a obetia from 0208219129 na one sedimo gel and ronon from penfo yenhwetwen komo yenhwemwa emanema enti 22 ye enfama we mu nyina dada ma na mo ta kira bo me na no pai e den komo no 18 saba a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yenhase Enfanfi Spanish La Liga matches Saudi 20 PM Getafe for H Valencia futwome kabakwa wo mu entimiante La Liga ehon komo kakra na yetin wo ediama no emfa ni kire UEFA Champions League nyame atoma ene matches no 8 fan to so na fe hwese na hye ne besi akọ ede ama teams ahodo a wo so 8 fan girem ti quickly ede ni 8 fan chiri hwese na Stand City a na se matches no ebetimi atofem e wo ho no ama teams no obi 8 fan chiri bob round of 16 fixtures ni ni channels mam say 21st of February na Tuesday Eintracht Frankfurt beton sida fe Napoli na omde against na boss Liverpool beton sida fe Real Madrid na fe ochina ukwada nso no Inter Milan beton sida fe FC Porto RB Leipzig beton sida fe Manchester City na omde against na etia boss we a round of 16 game a betia start to joy UEFA Champions League no and ye de won komo kakran so 8 sen ja nyame atoma ebepem no oba asempa 94.7 FM na Adom 106.3 FM so a the live commentary no betia sabro matches no start between 7 and 8 na sha se da 19 mesel na wa join in tempa so na fe de san hye so kono etimi abro afi ma mentintom e wo Ghana enkomo mu dia na say government of Ghana enso ene abusuafo a womo ewo de twasam family no womo etimi asa konakra na mo hwe nim se kwan bia so no abrante Christian atwitwasam a na ere brunia na no ada ko ba se asase wo so etimi pie mo take abrante entimi ameka esebio no ene abrante no omde de saa timi asa ko na omna be pie mu ewo Ghana ha ntimpemfo ehwe nim se nyame adoma ombetua sa peda ebetimi ede abrante na yiyo enso etua sa apem so se ebesie no ewo nkran ha na ase de nani ebetua sa chemu ne kru madamfo no we nyan hye championfo je so mguso etoto ho ne amase be adanko bia no omde won hye ne betua sa beja ne local manager ane tini Abdul Hayati na Cheetah Football Club ene de wo de ho nkomo kakran so ejai
you know Sandra vice president no ready to just wombeshe na omano defeating barrier you know any family any athlete any sports minister any abide the man now about public to actually tell the general that
okay, so far the Amunian come up with date BI. The meetings are the Gusugo so.
And the family need now for general public now almost condolence. Among Brown condolence. And yeah, do not from that. Kenya private to outside only 1 week and they died very short all these details sent out to the public.
Nti Abdul Hayati ana the local manager Adema Christian Atwitwa Sama waka nchene gu wasase wo so 18 PM e wo technim ana de nkomo no 18 jasenra fabusuafo ene weye abankofo ekonakra na umugo so hwe nim se nyame adoma ntutu bi 10 PM wakire a omo ebetini abeja Ghana for na former trade minister Ura Alanchemanten enso ekope tribute to player no enra
besre na simaba akope yedi aye bibi akai yenua bi a Ghana ni branch a okobo ball wo Turkey abo Black Stars asom Ghana man na atoyencham bi a ekosi wo kro Turkey ho wa nyamede na bigidi se efata kwampa so se se ye kan na onyame ade ne kra esi twede bese na yesi etriase na sibaba akope yenkai yenua Christian Achu a wanya ne baby ko
nti enra ohwe former trade minister Alan Chemanten ana ono so pay a glowing tribute to Christian Achu Sam na enra ohwe awoho ene mpemfo ahodo a ebo dompem de obani twensa kire na busuafi ede nsa akoto nsa yem ko kire busuafore a na abedepeli ene ne yere maya ayewo omo so twensa akopi ma tim sampa nsa usodie no etimi esa to yi a omo ede modi ba nyina eye arekekire nsem ana omo ekoja busuafo nyame adoma ebe piem e wosan komo echi nyina no ebe koso ede kire ne de hunsunso etimi jaw yenko the Black Queens of Ghana so akache dia there's Nora Optel ono ni bonifita empemfo ede the Black Queens of Ghana etimi ahye ne sase won hwemwa emaniema entienku ye famom na omahyehe two friendlies ede amoma ba ko ye ne benifo ede kan de atentam so de da ana afi Togo fon so honma ye hwe nim se eno betin de atentam so na Black Queens eche benifo no etwom 3-0 our international friendly eno so to family.
The expected ball possession against Benin. I think in the beginning it's always we need to find a bit each other on the pitch. After 30 minutes we started to score, so I think we had a good hour on the pitch, leading 3-0. Of course we created a lot of chances, so we should have scored 8-9 goals, so the efficiency was not on the pitch. But it also, we did a lot of changements to see some players, to give playing time to the whole squad. This is taking then a little bit the rhythm also away. So maybe the netto playing time of this game was only 45 minutes.
Inti Nora Noptel and Altine Castle didn't come 18 start to join the Black Queens of Ghana coach no nti say aka Ghana any Togo your second friendly between at the time so akwantu a omdo mani etua sa kyerase no yemra Ghana boxing legend Professor Azuma Nelson enso aka kye dia ono so de nkomo hakra kuja Ezedugbe say obetia world champion again e woni dwumadi a odim ti wonyere ne ho na manfo beka Ezedugbe ebewo in action April 1st WBO featherweight title no so betua sa todwa na ohwemu ne sena setan city a one Ramirez and this Sakins kesen betua 10 times so United States of America.
Oh, me can't say onye training hard onye training wedding na sports dey training ni experience say nya obia o chenu defense more now you training more about me after that no kita for long time
enti nese nkoma no so etensa pm the afa Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe bibia mbetwema WBO featherweight title and no world title kese pa ohwe nim se nyame adoma April 1st e betia PMO United States of America nyame adoma e bedi akire de honkomo kakran so etensa bejaw a group of disability so omagada a ohwe se Mexico so weekend omo ehwe nim se kwa bias no agudi ahodo no omo so ede omo betia sa je omo say yes we can game ana omo editing time so na san hyehyɛ so kwin boni akoma ehwe se na nyama esi course so ewo omo so akache
Infia numuni na yes I can games you know ababade o my Ghana mu a des afibia de hyehyɛ so a omanfo omudi omho gimu nu omanagi ho pa wo ye dwumadi kese bi a afibia mu nu eba so edema sere ye nuanu ma omodi dem no no mo so a kire omobobre agudi ahodo bebre na na wo mu a omo ati agudi na se no ede omho gimu afidie na baso e wa Accra Sports Stadium a omanfo dodo na akogina mu kodi agro ne bie no ene gi ho pa afibia mu ese tudwa adwumaku ade de so carpet omna de bia omo so omasene agigi omanfo ani a afimu dia no so omatomu nkyene abawo
something that we do to empower persons living with disability through sports. We want them to be doing stuff for themselves, and then those who can take sports as a career. So then we've been doing this for 5 years now. The Love and Laughter Day for 5 years. The Yes I Can Games has been going on for 4 years.
In the way, give my friends say yes we can games and disability for team started 10 times with teams and disability for NHS still. Or more the ability in so we show more bia na mo bia wo bia no wetimi akom say baby tian sabwa ina transasi so say osrofofro we dwumadi egusu edin one expert wo na techri bo medicine shason create judge fast mixture e de do tetahwe no so tian sa by infections na tetew de do a ebetimi age nkwa eno no sedimo gel enrolon ye campaign ya odi dia for pampas so kopemo na so na do yi fi on a preparatory bo ma na matimi tutu ye de ma kwa shaman me market na fitema so nyena obetia from paying for 0208219129 na on said more gel and roll on phone paying for yen twetwen komo yehwem a ema niama 1822 infamo madama womo ene bom ska dwetwe me na no pay yeden komo ahodo ensa kan o ken 17 senjao within the profit wala sa good catch back open am gina of course evidence based sports presentation etmejao the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Well, yes, I buy the money now. Was here trying common so about quick reminders. Many Erastus bedded in commodities here. Macajos in the sector ministry, lands and natural resources. Deputy Minister Duka Anna in the Metrican Commod. Some quick reminders for you. Chairman Kutin, Central Regional Chairman, and me ejina na name this Kaibowe atu yenim. Say Nameya Duma if share that way, and then the memen that way the 24th and 25th of February. Nameya Duma Chairman Kutin yikesia dada nimno ninya bema and then the wafasi ninya bema and then the wafasi nti ye wo Thomas Kwame Danso ana Philip Akwasi Akuya no inti saa nkofoi erade to sa from on the 12th of July 2022 onyame adom afina nhye yina ato akwema
bosumi we ya de toso aduonu na 24th and 25th ewo asenjakai won be kwa kwatena ase na afi won ahwe na abusuafo agya won akiri kwa ento won se adofo nyina se won enkoja won na won bo won achi dom okwansoro nkoso ne sa pepepe nso na Emmanuel Adu enso ne maame efrim nyame adma enkrangza yefri efiada we anasa enhyehyeye no ebekoso na afi yera Dr. Prince Hamid Ama ono so machebe dwani kwasi mentim onyame so eya adoma ono so de maame na wotwi awieye ana yebekwa akopɛ ne kra bia 25th Saturday ti yenhye ne so na saa adofo ya bobo mu din nyina no yentimi enkoye ye kwa omano so quickly and say the sector deputy minister between komo no ye kwa omano so quickly ne na kodi nkomo me nua kuma ono wo eye multimedia ya share ba kwa wo Asante Mantem eye Insurance Love FM obehwa enioma efa mining ho both legal and illegal no na namuntu ho aye ni so yi pa na aboama a shape a lot of commentaries Erastus anapay match
yeah area
afi muni nyina me se me no kasa enti afishia panso me de be ma ho afishia panso
afisese na hoden ho
amen when you come on be answer deputy minister Yera Duka between common you come on be you can central for in fact make us central near
online no wa tripa di okasa no metena chi
okay the be say you be bomodi asa afro biem I was able to magina so here na yetimi no edi nkomo yi say the be betinka ehia se edi sa nkomo evi say ono betime twamfonyi na che o central ni baako a eba illegal and legal mining fapem ne mining ho nsensema waje breni adaje etimi edi ho eye enkomo yi nti ye hye ne nso se sector minister ene deputy betnasia Yera Duka so betnasia obenanti yemu ebra ye ka se ye ko atia efoma gudi a yentu a yentu no ne kwan so ene de yesi etu ne kwan so baby e fafriye emu hawo ene kodanda ene baby a ya bedu no sa nkomo no ye bedi bra Yera Duka ta Erastus ultimate year this time. Hello, ultimate year Erastus. Majority ya homa no nya problem. Erastus ultimate car.
Metonga.
Okay, so as a say ya quantio so far in a quest to fight illegal mining and promote legal mining. Sa quantio no won what me di akire yi pa be si anopa ya kasa asentroni. So far, who is saying?
Yo, baby, after my documentary, no, any discussions, of course, no. I'm out for the Saumunia man. He, the baby, to say, dump him. Pataho, forest, no, and here in your few honor, na a I'm out for starting say omuyi o mascabites ni nyama efimwe mu ho na so there's November last year Banuano I'm out for videos ne pictures the Bremeno omo move call other areas and you have a bit to say bonsa forest be or bonsa side ho amafogum Chinese fogum obekaya na Chinese ni dia ebo bichu Ghana ni chu that side no afi oko wasa kupon enchi awin side ho so amafo send me videos on daily basis amafogum ho Oba Asante Mantem ha ofuase enuru ensure enuru no ehu atiase ofuase enuru so aside ho manso apamprama forest reserve num fa baby ho amafo da suti ho na forest na kasa no dey o madia ma kese ne fa bebre ho aside kra eso forest reserve apamprama no forest reserve eti baby bebree wɔ hɔ a still a enya ntie sɛ ɔmo da so ɔmo yɛ adwuma afɔ hɛ baby te sɛ tano nimere forest akonta mining operations amafoɔ no ɔmo kum wɔ hɔ no yɛyɛ report no akyi no ɔmo sɛ sɛ ɔmo fidie pie ɛhɔ deɛ yɛnya ntie biara sɛ ɔmo asa akɔ back eti mɛka no sɛ ɛkwan bi so no ɛkwan bi so no nso nsuo biara ebi twam na say I started kwa pro na o fe be bia e be ko bia no ensuo bi e bi twam bia ho no ahono top.
I see.
I tell say obi ehemu a oye mining.
Edia na
eti enyaye.
Edia
be bia na ye koye e ko ba profile no e na amafo yi o mu fidie efiro.
Okay, so wo nantie mu no edia na kosoma no ye den say yebetimi afa kwan paso etu saa fom agudie a bribia da ye bo ho dawuro se yensuo ye kwayo ya pomudin o nioma bebre saa ya mfa kwan paso antu a ye de beba no e de na akoye osi akwan ebeti saa no pa ya kasa ebinim da so nya akukuduro efa kwati kwa so timi ye saa ade a ensem fatay
minia makana pen na message studia say obie ni wa oni tumi ana oni obi esenati if aban mu a obetimi akosha forest reserve mu so oye mining a oni kata obie ni ho a obeka se mi ni panyimu bi e wa aban mu a obomachidom ana se mi akasa mi ni tumi na obekwa akoshe forest reserve ma na obekwa akotuna sukese ho se oye mining because omo nin se tiamra and omo nin se o start na sa soldier for be ba so na police for be ba so se woni obi obo achidom a ye be se sa machines na se be se and nti dodo na omo ehye forest reserve mu ana omo tin sukese ho omo se no dey no dodo na wo panimu bi otanachi ada okwatumi bi edi na ti a ama omo eye demand and no titiru and the main reason why yet me ti ano ni aka no ni ami hu no ye omo yisu champagne tete omo no ofin no eso no omo te last time I call ye no na champagne ye kind be to 200 and egunsu no so 200 more tete omo kusu bebre okọ baby ti say abombe abesia empotem ho atwumamponu ede ba no omo kumu ho pa afi obo ofo ase baby e ko nre ho so champagne no egumpa na ni omo ye ne se omo ye champagne no bebre nipa ye ho omo ne manfra bi free enkan na aba e bi free Burkina e bi free Togo and omo dis adjument omo ne omo ati ho no ano na aka omo ntoma abom and omo dis adjument
okay so
omo so a omo so ba omo ne majare e chen omo to nsuo no mu a omo ko
okay
me gidi ye say local district assemblies local authorities I was say itimi de sobo kese pa abo because we MC we DC we head of DISEC district security council idi koso won potem wona wunim eponum wona wunim ni pet ho se wuntimi nyusu security agencies no e fan stop sa de no dia na minim de nti awo as head of security adenti na district chief executives municipal chief executives or modeda security councils ano e wo sa potem no abubo mo nse ku o machi na yetu ni essential wo breti amra eti megidi yesa say ya ready pa na say president I ready say or fight na say nya e koso na say high as a buying as nipa dia I was here started taking on some of these local authorities as a minerals commission as share hodwa ewo mention mu nyina ne mantam mu nya dia no dia no moye because almost supervisory role say nipa no license amona munim so ni license amuna munim so I get license kwa no amuna wasa mako ko hese dwumadi a wodi wo no license a woje ye no e ho no wo ye no e kwan be no wofa so a wo ye no eti amra na enti amra DNA ya fa ho me just say institutions ni nyina say obia tiada either say almost support omo koje omo kakra ana say omo pese omo ye bibia fa ho
but
not too na me dwen say ebo ama galanse no ekoso sa
okay so afa no abeka ye ho a ye nua be ma Erastus na ne twetwe nkomo or Love FM Shrever part of the multimedia group or ye centroni papa mapa ne dwumadie fa eye afomo gudie tu no adan so kra ma na nya abaso body epi oda so na ne di echi on ne twetwe nkomo ansia na Ira Mekudika Deputy Minister Lands and Natural Resources Jedika eti baby a wabedui kasa na do so chen efoma djuma ana se yenso oman ni mufo no ye asoodin ene ye ntempa ye pesikanti no anama ene aseko no uti o kasa no ase ye ko ase ye nko ase ade no amanyo semiti taiche ofiafia ase nananom bi no mo efoa de ekoso ne so and all those things ade na betima ka fa ho
nana ni bi enu nyina no abo ne tofan nipa ankasa timamufo na ye won kokuru awodo nso enye nkodi nyina mum de but dodo na no ni ekoso no esan se omo kasa adwuma ni ho enti emabunu no edo omo ho jim ena omo ye bi afi empanyimfo a ye de omo da saa galamse so a esa yetu no omo da no aye kasa tenten so toponko it say yet it radio so near kasa and now na obi akutwa apple asroche a ebo abekata ankobra no so no e de kire se ensu nani ate yesu enim se ankobra no ahono free baby free na eba
edi sa mfonyi no kuranim
ohe ankobra no ebebo punu mu ewo baby a okutwa mfoni na ohun se baby a friend of high tide boni friend of high tide se fono kwaso chen kese pa omo ete won be ka trew ebo apunsu no ebe chifa ankobra no so konani se eyesa ohun ne se ensu nani ate ma ho do hwere kakra bi to da bi anam yenu ana anam yesa asoche ne bona se fono sa atwetwe a ho na ohun ankobra no ni fi ankasa ene ya me no kase opa afre obi o estuary ho ankobra na epo no estuary ho ne ka chen se ontwa mfoni ho no fansendo ne hwe sensu na tete sene a mfoni no omde beto abonten no a iti ma ye ndisibu ye ho ma ye fanchi trimta se ye dada amanfo ye dada ye ho
I see
ankobra no ahun efri prisia dominase na importano amafo tigala ho ena ahono free hwa na eba uhunso na areba ho
I see
eti my fan ye kasa tenten ade na yekoso no uhunso enso na hono sa ene ma ewu mu no heavy metals cadmium arsenic no me ade mercury ewu enu ti na o de good enaba so a na ahye no se yekoso a yenso ewo Ghana nyina sa ye future any SNO ni SNO etirima ebeba na bebre ebe ka krediane a body a obedua ho important ho enobaya obedua ho important ho no what the bad German so those traces of heavy metal e wo mu a obedi a obenya problem enti enisa ye tena se ne ye de katatenten
okay
e wo se e fiase strengthen institutions a e bo mine ho ban obi en kasa menye mine na mrase fa no kwan pepe so ekoye no nsuo ho 100 meters between nsuo kese any baby a we mine to where anyan ku chen uwia empanyifo hwese wakata so wa reclaim land no okọ enim minyi ni se we aye bibia things ye betimi ahwese amafo beye na ya prevent omo a akọhye forest reserve fifi no mu wia ye gudie no na so omo sa fair asase no eja amana ne ade ku ho amwa obia
okay Erastus maybe that was the name me da was ya na obidi asembisa abase memusa asenti nsuo no ahodo nyina wakọ aprobo no emu de won na ogiri se emu apagya kakra che sensa chere aba nsuo ni kakra
afi na ye fi aprobo ase a ye ta ko back akọ hese e fi last time ye yes no send the unity ne mun kakra ya kone de mi hu ni ate o. Are you
working in collaboration with the Minerals Commission, the Lands and Natural Resources Ministry, and our Continent Crow as a journalist? Our specific interest. Which one is which?
Many scientists are holding my research into ensuing near my womb and 87 Maui. Me am a company, Multimedia Group Limited, and Bomachi, Emma, yes,
I see.
Minion who are buying phobia or my friend said, yeah, a proud Bonavia, AFA, Pasadia, Okahona, Shehuna, also one. Father Buanidia, Yena, and Obia reach out to me. Nipabua send a message cry or move you. But it will be turned off from said, Memaka home, Memphis, Yahuna, one, and come home. Baby, I'm at a no Memphama Bois, Nayina, Yenya, quite obedient, quite. Lemum, Samre, I make a idea. Minimitim, and a scientist, a Hodua, almost your phone, war, Ghana, and a mere multimedia group.
Well, ne crack no eba a former good year to no more. Ebit me, the end ebit me can watch them say achia na emuye, and I say, where the achia na ebukura. Which one is which?
Met me a case, Oko Mansoa, DC or Mansoa Dubia, Ura Clement, Wabwa, Ama, Yeriklimu. Amna manana yeja ohono baby wa maya katakata so the topsoil leguso the board the reclamation but oye ne kakaka or pay amount for the seedlings opesu duty akubi nomia de ade also or pay say or moba number boa my dua a good sign oko baby baby say inche hono ma yewo emabunu bi wo homo dia som ho say omo makwan emasade no enkoso abesia emrantie bi wo ha omo akeka omo ho omo pese omo he say wa beba be champagne ho no omo ne wode megin say ni nyina e good sign I will say ye nyina ye kabum na say ye yesiem tini ema obi e me adwumadi e wo sam potem ho a megidi yesi e betimi aso ano
okay
eno ni amemegin say ye good sign amahu o ground a eno so boa.
Erastus ma me na otwe me ba kuma se mo wada na emu ayerem kakra eze emu hihye kakra na
anya sam keto aso pe no ataba hu ba bia no pe say te kutu na wo wie mu te de na wo wie mu
okay yo me da se o ya do be say share bi so Erastus don't corner edit that you come or the positives and the negatives in the fight against illegal mining or also the attitude to be or stress and ananum bi or ma moshisha chire e de ni kusi amanyo for so nko be ha dwen o mining mu fo ni bi won so atima mu fo na bi won so no moshisha chire and also a ha dwen and also reserves forest ni bi o acquire ni bi o ma o use ni o mo word no ye didi mu nyina e just say it's a collective responsibility ti aban ye ne de won so ye o de o hu sin to bi a o nu bi aka bibi na watim ni nyina atudwa ye ka say Takwan Shem Rashimidweni, Deputy Minister, Lands and Natural Resources, or your agriculture person, so, or you create or a philanthropist, and also a Ubia, Nanijin Kwada. The last time I checked, there's only an orphanage is bare for a Juma Kesiepa. I mean, for energy same because the crime back or I was soon, and need the say. And then I'm social media na Philippo Sable so we dia dance is a kwan major road by any me also mugusu bibia ko kama e basa otena sepe onim se sa question me busa o dia kukudru be hia me timi sere mo mo na me mana kwa ba ni mi afo be kudu ka kwa ba fichapa
majodo
Mr. we boko
yankopone hu yamo
bi hu wache papa yes but they be that me hu moves se unyina Ghana na emo baabi a na ugina constituency o ana se ugina Kumasi o baabi na o se baabi ye adwuma is all good
umpa bonti
na me suboko
o boko nyame na dom yewura Samuel Abugina po na dodom bia reboa magana wafane tampe fra
constituency is
oboko
nyame ekwa na make was the agona dey
oye apemenim to takwa
okay
sisia Gabriel Koto no oye contractors awodo na woye juma papa ma mejira we field na mombo wana abado very hard working contractors warrior juma baby na oye very difficult area butum se efado a ebrepa oya agona wasa agona area and why ni ye sisi amwaka ye yumat enyim ho ho no nti message de yumat enyim ho no nka enyim ya wonko ho na one level ho so kakra ma hen because complaints are minya ne doso
and then obi rezi on this what now is a very critical he say cars akese no onim hihye ya muni omo benya because they are the major users
absolutely right absolutely right
now so say yeah the see no omo ano sabe ya na fi asakofa problem ji o si hihye be na senhye bi o ebetimi omo ya
for now no hihye ya yebotum ya ye ni de yebotum na ya revamp yen rail lines
okay
so yeah rail lines na because our haulage there were haul or bauxite na manganese and as if kwano da load no so nti si etum ye rail lines na as if ketike kwano da which is there ono be reduce the pressure on the road and ma ye road no po na load ndi bi onam do and the whole Ghana na trucks akase fa pa and there's always pressure on the road nti si etum ye train lines na you to maintain ye na sustainable which is there be reduce the pressure nti no ne da baka da jama menyim ne da na menye ye rapita amewu
okay
yezi nkomo how are able to quickly no ya ma rail line no from Suta to Takrady
okay
at least no I very stronger able to use rail no for the manganese na dem boboa
but oka constituency asemi na me won say text message me be the kind by the kind of very interesting. I say, Yemusa Ira Mikuduka said, this is from Kennedy or saying, Yemusa Ira Mikuduka said, Ucha Wanisha Wachia, 6 years Albert Naso, as an MP, as a deputy minister, as MPP member, our by us. Are you proud? Of course, how benefits are there called?
Very, very proud. Kwamina, Misha Seno, na Yehuda Yakichi. As Westerners and as Wasa specifically. Na ehwe njuma nyamena adom mampanyi na nado danko akufo wabua ma yetum yeza akoho and other companies leader you need to show leadership other companies robua this is they highly impressive ehwe yan road mebe na uhuntuma kesepa from Nsuta to Nsuta junction nyamena adom menyi manganese focus ya de uno waye Nsuta to Nsuta junction just there they could do more you good yes when there one boy my into me and ye if you so but you go feel so say ma nanango no wha they call you mad basic school as a folk onifie a whole post office on so no who nyina ye huntuma kra nyamena dom ono so ye gudu ko tala ye schools are ye da call or ye nkro do on pod wonka including community centers if your baby bebre ho na wonyi baby mpa wo behiem so nyamena dom ye provide the community centers in some of the communities if you so sports about if your sports if your astroturfs dumping or your sunlight and very critical areas when you can say another one was simpa or your astroturf no so you have to answer nkuku na oye njuma na worboa sisi amenyo kase go fields once wadaroma oye 10,000 capacity stadium on chakra afiara yebo commission ye commissioner yebo hwede because yemfa team a foreign team embra na media man for nyombo nti ye plan dey be a good foreign team na waba na ya commission and it has underground facilities in a very big stadium beyond that hospitals chip compounds Konsuayema hospital yesi no ho ne fell CCI operational ye ba no na nso ayem eko ho clinic nsuta oyare ogu fo basa de hwe nso ayem pa and me konso so takwa nso ayem na hwe nso ayem pa na clinic wo use and the hospital yesi no ho mepede be kona kohwe emfi so including town roads no so ye gudo ehwe nso ayem town roads contractor no we delay ze nanso so ye bompa do be sanna wenya ho de na wako ehwe oye simpa town roads no so very soon the contractor will be on site or tum obeye drains no we gya ya to ho anor kan sikasam kakra but minister for roads and highways Nyinezi Nkoma is there now no he's well equipped to go back to site.
All right, so yanko next issue is now for main proper discussion. Daryl Kwesi Sean or say Nyoma Mienu on the Dana Kuma so say quota takwa insurema de shebenya de call UMAT and an upgrade of a year schools outdoor a takwa insurema.
Me feel they are very critical the takwa insurema for Onyamfaso or university hall. And we have a very affable and indefatigable Professor Mankwa, our Vice Chancellor. Would take community in Wasem Papa or new community in so on Kitahunzi. Menyenes in Komo. Ibiara our concern about the university. Obotum Wabwa, Ipakono what the requisite qualification be Abotum Zabano. He is ever ready to support. Inti Ibia or community or a part of Takwa. The university is part of the community. Abibia, America say just last week, and university and the chamber, one collaboration in the Chamber of Mines, AC, or Dan Kesa for one lecture halls, Yako Commission, just last week. For that my university. Inti Mamombo or Chamber of Mines, so Wabado, or Anamonta Wutu, was a boa. Or University of Mines and Technology, but or integral part of Takwa community. Just the if any concerns ma yura or there be if he raises some of the concerns, but opede the quota. The
quota
to I think I will refer back and maybe consult the Vice Chancellor and know the quota, the quantum I will take, but minimum there. Abibia no wasn't there locally. Obey to admit a lot of people from Takwa and it Ambrose.
Okay, so a brother said and common Akasentia, you say happy birthday. Watch your mass Kumasi High School. You're from righteous, and then I would do Wawoda. It is a lady over child, Diamonabro, so cross super, or Radisson Count, righteous Kumasi High School, baby Obiano. Good morning and happy birthday. Minister Pacho, Apia Stadium, so you know, or so chow. So you know,
or Sanara,
and then chayo. Minya Precope. It's not, check.
No, I won't hear all what
your ministry to say.
Oh, Yamiado.
So, not many rastos you didn't come out the journey so far. If I were the good, the bad, and the ugly, which tells at least there's a good factor there. So we want to build on the good factor, and then look at the challenges and how we can take it off. Challenges, say, politicians, journalists, nananum citizens, ya kabum, ana ye your mining, pretending that somebody else on that score, no, they say a bit to me. So what are some of the good things that your shares are going to we see a quantity illegal mining, no? Motimi,
Kobna, say, illegal mining, no? Yada, or ye kanka, will be biara, wood to gold, will be as a fanina. Higher friend galam say, Echo, or ye South Africa, or friends Amazama, even developed countries, to the Australia, or friend prospectors. Them illegal miners, would be a on yes, a beer, or for a Google classroom keke. Maybe a catching won't fit classroom or not quietly, no. They are wielding guns or a life and death.
The illegal mining business.
Yes, life and death are some Nigerian. Or your man for why you're ready to shoot and kill. Even in South Africa, recently, soup be a okoye. in one of their television stations. One minister, Oshe, Oya Asudafo, na police, one often police minister. Ose, in the soup, no interview, no, Ose Besia Kra, or Bashenechi, Okita Itur, she was ready to shoot. That is what we're talking about. Onye just gofubia akwaya na no. Or a difficult thing to fight. Now, or I agree that it's a cartel. Or a whole community. Why accept there? This is what we are embarking on. My opinion. Or today, Sabia, we will do community one pay. The community will get the arrested. But
when the community accepts
it, they yempe the we betchen. But when the community accepts it, it is part and parcel of their lives.
Fighting becomes difficult.
Oh, yeah, very, very difficult. Now, anamona ye to maminjina we field na mombo operation hall 2 or yeah soldier for so about the papa wo mboa wada boa you run to na no dom mboa wada boa wo dam fight mu they constantly even weekend they were on the field. Now as a ministry na mona ye there ban kwane be fada ye nsu no na nyu abeto nti ya ye bibi of friend river wardens. They won't show presence along the river banks.
River wardens.
What share yellow.
Intimusumo creating to say a police for community police.
River wardens.
Okay.
Inti one they show presence. Na si wo hu bibia na we inform the military. The afemi nkofo ya mining. Na military no use to be a helicopter. And whatever means, I mean to discuss waha. Naturally, we zoom into area cra or the illegal mining. No. Recently, Adom one intervention operation hall 2 na river warding see part or session of Ancobra. We tum watso stability level na aye kakra. Ono mpo onye yi kra. Wa ye kakra. Nti yanyi media for koho yanyi nananom binom yanyi DCs ni bi koho kohwe them no be to motivate and yes we can do it. Say a session of Ancobra to matwa then the rest of Ancobra and or dey to me mani nyina na nwato ye koso Adom media fi okobi one reporter Lord so was there wo nyina wo hwe nsu no mosa na nwato obi aye happy any woman cry na or chill na mo ho so na obene ponso no se de abana yaze na nse nam wonye bi nsunsu ne nwa sha ase de orete no nam na sha ase reba to obesra abane de yintum sustain and the key word is sustainability de botum na ya hwema nsu no ne nwa to nti onye mo wa de Erastus or ma background information as to how the difficulty the fight against illegal mining is. It is indeed difficult, but make the effort you put in place, you know, or your regularization
okay, so,
effort.
If you are just watching Badwam now, it's time for you now. You duka. Everyone is central for a core pro bono. Oh no, you know, no elembele DC ni central for any other relevant personalities. I think the Omoka ensure can was them.
Yes.
And home common.
Yes. Them pepe. Yeah. A whole friend or Sauma. 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 Nti o community o na hompo no fa na Ancobra na rankasa. Nti hon na wo fa na Ancobra. Nti them Ancobra river. Nti sanka nsu ne yadama nka kwabna nka yenyu abeje as a country. And them yepede yekodo na river wardens no yemma all the river bodies no permanently we put them there. Oboko obetwa nsu no nyina from the source to the end. Na ya security post advantage pointer. Sabia obotum we change wo ho binum ba anopa binum be wiaber binum be nwumber obotum amma sabia obi ba nyipa ba ya man no ho no hu obi gina ho a nyipa ko no botum report ma police fa na soldier fa ba ho a nipa ko no obahwe ne yi obadwe no ho ebiebien ansa na oba baye nti oya na monto a megize de butum no waboa ma yensu no nenyu ato but apart from that obehia so pa de community na so beja atum de yensu ne embo ho ban because kwabna ma yenya ne ntinye de most of the key stakeholders in the various communities waje jentoboa mpo breaking day waje tofi wana okaye ejuma illegal mining waje tofi wana waye galamsey wonsum yes oyare ho but you see yentum na omba ne de as a country yebeka de yeni yefunu nti yensay yedachi ensu nyina arewa where will we be
monkomodie mu no you ma chire mu ye amiate ase se sa anamo na yetu a ene mra ne hihye ebo ebra no esusuanso ebetimi abayen oman nim for enini ana because clearly say go na yetu a dey nim say sika na yetu ebia mo problem all this while esa say mo person mo stop ade nti no some of my futu ni addition na akwankyere said this is the end result. We've not paid attention to the educational bit of it. And what's them to say?
What's American who here? Until me as a ministry there, you could engage communities. Until me to Missouri na yako bit there Prisia Huni Valley. Na baby mining, illegal mining, or your predominant, you know, near Kishia Omano, Yana Nanom. And all the key stakeholders in the community, assembly members, the community engagement has been key. They one community to the other. They be church what I say. They yes, where they boy yensu but they boy yensu bana or ya community no. So community ni jitu me there. Yeah, makwan me biara nye mining in a river body along the streams na along the river body say one. Nobody can do that. And as a ministry, my license there will be called mining. No. Until say would they be mining in the first place or illegal. And community now so there will make arrests to those effect.
Now, young go through some of the challenges kakra and also anwedru. The unity can partners and yenya kukudruma. Wona legally in sasene cry omodiana yenya kokodru ekọ omuhim ama dia na efiri mu ba no etututo abototo and all the how do we gather that courage say oman hene gold mine aban mu ni kuruma ni nyina nim say we esi wo nyende and as africa na eba you go through all the needed process ya boy share yenya gold mine no legal no na Thomas and Sonny are not Chuaba, as a sofini in Grantene, Pickers, idiomachi. No assassin. How do we do it?
A mining say, Yerika, mining or day at Tassie. I had a man, it's been a can try.
Which untiasia
and Tassa say, if you whole feel the assassin and an assassin. A band Zama, a company. The on mine. As I so waka chende, what would not waka chende, nana, Quisando, assassin.
The daddy team.
Daddy team. I come so them. Onyejuma. Into what do I do? Or them so and Amoko. Sunday, Nana Nanom na, Nana Quisando, na work Canarano. You do I mine in Ibi. Because I started about 200 years ago. No one mine of each generation to the other generation. I know so about to into on tasi there on so no mind be onye into Bahamis oboko ono so yim do oroko na asase do no friend do ma ka ho no akọ na very difficult situation no Sunday o dey tasi so there mining no na mbra wo Ghana ha ne kire there egudu o wasase ni mu no ya bandia
epie wo fi kra ya bandia
o wo dem kra wo bedroom kra ya bandia na dam ntase ni nyambai de asase no yes na nanom dia na mmom egudi biara owom biara ya bandi na oye nhihye so a Ghana nyina na ya tase ya ye dam nhihye na ya ye nkrata ye za to ho de egudi a owo asase ni mu no o ya bandia nti sa bandia no na ban na odo ye nhihye no hwe kwana ebe fado a ye be ye buta odin faso ba ma communities no odin faso odi adwuma abre community no ntina oya mpenpi no yenyi company citizen koma ye ka kire hon de won hwe de local content obeye adwuma local content no hwe de ye bo hwe de community na ye adwuma catchment areas na ye adwuma ho no e be fa brand ni we adwuma because if they are part of the company oya difficult there community na animal no so we no ba illegal mining.
But some Miami Chrome Newmont continues to have that challenge. It cannot be automatic, say it's as be mining it's reasonable and it's fair. See be engaged but community to the show team say say okay ejando as there it will now about to say we Newmont to so your mine you yenkwa necessary biada we engage. That's another
fantastic submission. Yes. Or more than yet saying that a company today be a Newmont won't to fa hafufu nyina.
Yeah.
But oya na assumption in there once a company na ban odo obi an yedwuma. Yeah. Say nipa no e be a skill a wo hwehwe no pono na dam skill no nipa kro no nyibi. So still also one for bia na oya ateti a yenyan de oh honorable ya today company wo fankrofo. Na me say na takwa companies they bia wo fankrofo dey say why ma. But interestingly omahine mining companies large scale and companies akasa wo Ghana what do amount for do afa won 30,000 people employees no afa won small scale mining sector no also sen or large scale small scale mining minyo kase wa fa for 1 million engage 1 million people
1 million
people
yes
hey, you space now.
I want to be.
Listen,
I want to be sure.
Companies akesa wo Ghana.
The large scale mining.
Large scale today Goldfields, today Newmont, today Anglo Gold, Sankofa na Mokeka ho. E kan wo nyina boma nipa dodo a wa fa hon 30,000. Whereas small scale mining no. For one small scale mining now over 1 million Ghanaians. Into onye industry kakaba na yaka wansa.
Oh begunika odi baby out ya okaze.
Pa facts and figures na meze mo no. And indirectly no per the UN policy and directive it's impacting on not less than nipa krubia impact on no less than 4 people. Into 1 million direct 4 into multiply by 4 million.
And okay can say more.
And he said add in part 5 million direct to 5
Ghana
million.
For in the mining sector alone.
In the mining sector alone.
Okay, so on this note, young communities what we cut up so challenging as they do that to what's it. You kwaba yeba you komodo do na ho ayedi you kwaba tisia. Yasaba da munya mase to en komodo so say Deputy Minister Lands and Natural Resources era Mreku Duka ana ene twetwe komodo. We've gone through the good aspect of it. We want to walk through the challenges. Then we see through the ministry to do a prescription ebitimi di SCC bia no. First challenge I can ho asem we say one kasa why we say the big mining companies, legal ones na ye dey tumi amom so betimi aye adwuma legally no. Ye o mining for so no ye nti ase no de bia da na ye na esronko ye ko mo hiem na akofa tututuo na soja for bechi omo na omo kasa na ese omo sisi ye ti asase so and obi be page mu ne omo akọ all these things. So case study 1 ye de sa tumi ni mo obi a uni ho kwan so kosa ahye ni titi ase ukoma wato mra ehun susu aso ne mra na obedi ye ko number 2 so number 2 ni say nananom so feel so ye yi o ma free sa akwantu ye de kutia illegal mining no. Opinion leaders ni bi no so boy potem ni nkra so say won nim de ani kuro mo free so no say do mo sidi ma bakosem ani say do mo si etumi wo eye kuro man so no aban ntimi na sebe nkran enhyehyɛ mra emma emfa behwe won so it they feel that they are not a part of the whole process. They say aban na on no open or ye ho asem Is there also become what say?
Kobna say a bohra ye bay as a ministry led by Samuel Ejinapo. First thing na ye dialogue. Ye share na nanom. And important people are all the communities nationwide. Nationwide. Odu baby kurano otiko koso asante hene. Olidi oye one of the processes. Inti ye kodoso ade be engage all the communities and ahemfo. Now come na the medwume say nya kokudura into lead. You can't lead it.
This job.
I'm telling you, say nya akukudu na nyame nkanwa onye easy because the pressure and America there a whole community no accept there. This is what we want to do. Onye adibia won who there said you're illegal. One will feel
this is what we've been doing.
It's been part of their activities all these years. Inti oma no kono oyezen. So yada what I say or ye illegal. Honors on for na one when you does our ye nine was as in a world too. Inti even at the ban cries out bano. Messia Fukra what I do go no feel there. One more one to another into obey naked no demonstration. Yes. The over say yes a ban bar obey naked no demonstration. Intasino is not complete there. Ebia ya shishay na ya adwene ye there sebia nkofu bi wonyim there what I said the illegal activities the brand na beche wondo. Se benye baby a obi all complainer na chede we invade ni koko no feel there was say na farm na yipa ko na be complain. Otherwise the whole community no yipa no oko to gold no onya gold no no fa kroma ye show ono obedu krom ho no da yipa no ono owo block done or influence or a lot of people including the leaders of the community. Nti in America there ekono wonderful. Nanso no with determination and na yen nyina ya adwene bokọ bankrum no we can do a lot of things. Intina ya ye there. No, the ban is unnecessary. More important is to regularize the sector. Yebo hwede yebo toyebo nya ye hihye oboboa. Ntina ye introduce bibi of community mining. See here menyorika say one of the community mining was send a message there every day. One fan crop for 4,000 at the concession.
In fact, one Emmanuel Kwam was sending me messages here. Omahene, good morning. Please, the number the minister is quoting is even smaller. We are more than 1 million. That is why we have always been saying government must take good care with this industry.
Yes.
More than 1 million.
I agree with him. Inti ehwa menyua was small scale mining no ho papa. Minister nenyua wo ho because me feel the oil industry kwabna si eja ne damara. No sunsu ando obaba money mun we can control. Into obe here the yenyua bokọ ho ne ya ye ne ye. Into how do we do it? On na manpain boema ya to mercury free machine. Them yensu be meet them in a matter convention. The use of mercury in the system because all to go do no watch mercury no what the mercury they say assassin nti mercury no poisonous chemical no ben kwan be for be ye free ya na brabom onenye the mercury free machine ono so ye checha ma oye small scale mine
but ni name no Emmanuel Boa Anopei ana mo no mo set up a media team purposely to educate them on matter because you media people are not helping the Galamsey discussion. My question is, why are the experts in mining not talking? Please, the media don't understand the whole issue and making things difficult for the expert to talk. This is Wasaman small scale mining chairman also.
You see, most of the people now work for mining. What's it there? What's it there? Sabe, banchi, YouTube banchi, fiasasi ma. Now for camera could see baby away to banchi no. As I said, then that is the negative aspect of mining na yeka. But amazing missing more home can see nyinsum. de ye nyina ebe fi nsu no mu accept this na small scale miners here working ye Emmanuel na no dom bia mbo wade bia be fi nsu no mu na ya ma ye nsu no nwato ma them abani is not I'm not against mining because I represent miners in parliament and I always say it ma me pede ye nyi de ye be responsible mining. That is my challenge. The yenye responsible mining. Every Ghanaian. De yebohwe na yeyi or hawa ye wom ye nsunu mu no ze. It must be a no-go area for any miner. There you sue yentwe ye ho free nsunu mu. Na yenhwe kwana ebe fada ye nyina ebe boa. Mfi so ma share big companies no. Or ye large scale concessions. Parliament is at fault. The industry no most sorts no eya ebi wo ho a oko market no ko raise sika no da be or capital intensive. Nti so obi nya concession a large scale concession or there obi no wa list na chede nkofo anya shares na chede wetum wo da be ye neduma. Nti eya no pe concession a obotum one man long life. Long life na chede concession bi wo bia 30 years, 50 years. No exploration, pun when you be a count. Until what your assassin can say, pa. Until Nipa and now one company, no idea assassia, ebia, to more cover an area of we find there 1/4 of Accra. Wow. Obandama, or a difficult for another community and another group also to get access to mine. Nti on no ya na evasion aba no akwa asasa because assassin nyina are occupied assassin so bi meka ho nti ya appeal humbly ye mining companies ye ne there ubunya a section of their concession or their small scale and community mining them obotum engage a lot of people nka ube invade you concession no once when you baby a war mine nti oyana mona onu yeri tunu vigorously the yenye companies in business common what I say they will be seed off some part of their concessions what they must small scale money and the man also there are some dre baba so in parliament you to be approve about be 600-700 square kilometers now approving the man can you imagine 700 square kilometers well, na eko sabi yenkrasi na so obi nipa koro wa occupy
you take over
nti obandama ya appeal there though also so as a big company no also be here there obotum wenya dam concession no na wetum other appeal to the world there this is an investment Maria mehiamwa.
Once you look at the bigger one, you take particular care of those with the intent of getting small scale. So how do you look at it? Because they be asked, yeah, check a scene and yank was weird. That's it, but that's what I'm saying that Kakraka Boadi. Nemo yank it was let me engage a lot of people to be part of the process. Then I'm where am I?
Yes, ono was situation. Until you try to engage one. You try the yama water so there. So once warrior or the way in legal or they will follow the needed rudiments of the mining practices. The work we're there and I'm on a wool to me and I'm on a bobwa because even as a government, you know, you put it in ownership. If you maybe now you are some journal can be for ownership. So in the echo South Africa, for example, mining companies no or yes, South Africa for now was they are owned by the indigenes of South Africa.
The mining companies.
The mining companies, the big mining companies. Inti gold no to no okaho. Mfasono okaho. Until ya yekado we used to gold to develop Johannesburg, Cape Town and all that. Because one mining companies are no or South Africa for now was that. Inti say you betum yenya impact ankasa did the Ghana for so
they're part of the process.
Absolutely. Did the Ghana for so your own concessions.
But it's expensive.
Very expensive. But how did they do it? One now one way to my Ghana for no into me. Now, into so sabi Rome was not built in a day. Into me shall say into the small scale. Then you put in your experience. We do middle tier. We bring your large scale. Now out of that, now you build, the ownership structure in Ghana. Obandama obobwa ma fasona yehwe the tangibles are able to be out of the production of gold. Yehu obiabo there yes. Mining and a gold na ya mezache or money yetumi enya ho mfaso na the pempi so ya can the upstream ye can the downstream part of sikana bano. What do we use it for? Pen bi na meka metaka the need for us to ring fence the revenue stream of gold. Sikana ofi gold mbano yan fanko can consolidated fund ho ni botum ye Ntina I'm proud of the Minerals Income Investment Fund. Yet we no. Them are able to track the dividends and royalties mining companies into that fund. So into that fund how many afiso and fear being in fear bas and fear enumechi into that fund. Na bazin ezaye. Onum bob one there as a man, as a country, there. Oh, the fasuni yenye gold no more. Now say the coca consolidated banche ka ho and trouble ka ho bibia ka ho. How do we assess?
But you agree say illegal mining is still ongoing.
Absolutely. Or a challenge, it's a bane. Men kade all is well. No. Until ya na binum kade na ban. It is not a ban kotin to me yet. Sabi Biru Kodo Ashanti region, Biru Kodo Western region, Biru Kodo baby. But the challenges, Eben Kwan Eba Fada, Yin Eba Jatum de, let's fight this canker together. And Ibiasu knew how many by Irene there, we are not making efforts. Yeah, a queen today, Meti Muhume Busia sometime. Buhuna Menanam and Krasim and Sum with the military. Making sure that you sanitize the industry. You
are agreeing to the fact that illegal mining is still ongoing. But myth now it should to dimba up and maybe no. What again?
Anope daily graphic.
Yeah.
Front page.
Anope daily graphic. Okay.
Myth will grow an asset from 1.7.
1.7 billion to 3.2 billion in 12 months.
Yes. Or your machine be or your mechanism be able to na they add a lot of value to our mining industry. Now I'm happy there. Them sikana gold companies retire into their coffers. We used to be not what they build Ghanaians into we invest in companies Obotum na wam jina, no way to wafa Ghana for, no way to build that ownership structure na yerekano. Obotum so we develop in so many aspects of infrastructural architecture. Inti oye adibia obwa se wetua royalties bia oba na obotoma kwabna yitum ye the track yenye sikana onena ejape bado some time ago there yes ebinum say yen raise the sikana within yen fanye development business okay sikana yenya no yen leverage on the sika yen gina do yen fanye sika more yen fanye development. These are the nyama yaya oboboa. Now they are investing in companies, they are investing in salt, they are investing in gold mining and other, even lithium. On so sobutum wabwa na sika na waka Ghana ha in America there or machinery obwa. If you so beyond that, another key area so or the meka need the corporate social responsibilities are these mining companies will support in our development struggle. The actually Takwa, for example, Goldfields. I mean, I must commend them. They have been very supportive in the corporate social responsibility structure. Actually, they've been supporting in hospitals, they've been supporting in schools, roads, sports, all fields. And these are things that because the other year, now mining on your positive impact, the lives of the people of this country.
I see. Okay, so by way of letting you know, throwing more light on myth, the company which invests the state share of mineral royalties in viable assets is ready to invest in lithium, just like you said, and salt of up to $60 million and a small-scale mining incubation support program of up to $60 million this year. Myth also plans to develop gold-backed exchange-traded fund with the support of the Ghana Stock Exchange to be traded on the Ghanaian Best and possibly the Johannesburg and Toronto Stock Exchanges. Wow. So what do you call gold?
Nancy Anna, me free Cape Town River on Ndaba, African mining in Ndaba. The also a conference, all the mining experts will share or discuss the way forward. Now, them Lorica small scale mining incubation project, they in more be able to Ghana for. The Kwabna or Mahine concession or a small scale, or Mahine concession, Yanto machines, mano.
Okay.
On incubation, Yanto machines, mano. Yan set up no concession, mano. Because Mr. or a capital intensive, no boy then, or Mahine Nibi. As a sector, no, yan set no concession into Mahine, BBR or mining. Into then, or Mahine go to Macado, then I can employ about 2,000 people. Nti ehu sikana ode aboa sikana other mining companies you tua de aboa man we use sikana so they build Ghanaians. Nti now no omanhene our small scale mining sisi on na no dom about 2,000 extra people we to win them support from government. Nti oyada oboa papa.
I see. Now this is where issues how do we put a certain level of fear in politicians, in journalists, in nananom, in opinion leaders on this matter of illegal mining? Because utieti muana ubona kwamna santisha echiri no we need to say the enyo onim there utieti wa was that or himpon we echechi. It's like the other time otiko koso kan I say na wa asema moto amokaka ke mo amupotem no mo fichiri and ACC iti yet say the onima was onya papa say otina ko. So how do we put off these people away? We are MP, we are politicians, whether in power, in opposition, we are journalists of influence or whatever. Do the positives, not the negatives. Why?
You come to terms with the realities. They be a mine in 1 year with them. Why an abuano? Miners or Ghana when you be on a concession. If you are mining, they know. If you are not mining, they know.
They know.
Make a Maram Pamiti, Odu baby was a galam say. Yeah. To the catch on the baby, I'm a concession one. Go and show it. Hey, on ya the 9 Kajinado. Sabia, bin machines, I'm a Kajamasu are going to mine Waha. To why are you allowing Mekuduka to mine? As a Ghanaian, you have the responsibility. Mine one any day or your open place. And more than yet, I send you there. Nanano will understand. The security agencies will understand, assembly members will understand, MPs will understand, Obia will understand that, yes, nobody is against mining. Eben kwane ye fadwa, ye fichiri ha, ye constituency ha, ebe ma mining or kodo responsibly. See, America say, there is a complaint from Goldfields on my table. There's a place, I often am on trim. Badwam in Takwa underground was illegal miners were used to, and we are going to engage the community with the Goldfields one authorities I think on Friday. It's a step you take the yebobwa ma obema asomdriaba. Always say if there's no collaboration between the community is also actual letter breme there Goldfields a blasphemer or can what done or Badwam. And how do you even reconcile the two? Now there's an area you want to mine. You also complaining the same area and Goldfields is also blasting, affecting structures and all that. These are a very difficult sector to manage, but we need to understand as Ghanaians. How do we mine and mine responsibly? Or a key for all of us.
All right, so we're try about your last lap near the Bruno on this matter of usage of champagne still ongoing. And pay Erasmus America says over 200 champagnes ego in Shuni Biso. I feel on also be corner probable. And then how do we also get this issue of entry? We need 2 micro assassins, so how do we work it out and all those things? And we hear say Onyamiadom say any new sites crowd a Tiffy Mantem and all those things. We'll come back and have a conversation around it. Yes, but a lot of you want to have a conversation with the minister. Minister, only ticket over more takwansua school behind him. One minister number na school placement in the Mr. Lands and Natural Resources Minister. Ethiopia Natural Resources School be aqua, no crown or better or modern and now special issues be health matters be no what media cause the assistance now and your wife is the number the number no the opposite to job 0244 26 26 1 watch your like but this is a double gizi because hey who dey Bakacho yeah economic say elesi din commercial fan odo a isi edaso inya kwanya ba ekosi yensu so ss yensu no how do we deal with that but as because no mama announce because ba fitima fa afre for be 6b 0302 211 ekosi 4. Let's be really specific on the conversation that we're having. Mempe school placement be as Minister Bow. It's 0302 211 701 ekosi 4. Now champagne.
Yeah, come now a champagne nasem no. Small scale miners association for example. You want dinkita ho. O ka chen the ministry ni yemfa brim ni hye wonsa. Nti wo behwe ma brim ni nwato. Yes, it is true. We have lot of 200 closer. 200 champagne orecano, and weekend even the military operation hall too or change champagne and almost about 350
champagne.
Yes, 350. Inti unko food ziruko. The other aspect of the year need the importation of the champagne. Machine no otum wode nika wode nya meburu no. Inti nipa no import na business of the kwanyam ebru odema otanama wana wanyam ebru. The
same machine here
ebru no on what the nika champagne engine or your brand the Chinese for one engine machine be ameda wotum po
obi abaka so ko ebru me ba we any Benjamin in wiaza Benjamin Martin. Hello Ben Martin. Benjamin Martin. Unfortunately, Auntie Benjamin. Ima, apom say. Hello. Okay, so ono so yente nka enti yenko mo no so.
Enti
my enti ase enti champagne na na ye ebro no. Enti bibi ebo ho keke no sa product no.
Or your brand or your engine. Ah, wotum wodi en ma pi. Enti kada stopper no bi so there oh me de koye mebro. Obi so ye de kobo e motor.
Ya won kate na sifo.
Into a very difficult area, but them BBA offer a situation room. Track all mining equipment and earth moving machines. Into say Sabia a wall excavator, Nas excavator and a becker chain there. The excavator they call concession A. Never when they move excavator to concession B, it will be deactivated automatically. Into a common rights commissioner, ye be them situation room no another or me find the engine room. Our tracking of all earth moving machines. And so today you register all excavators.
You can be Tiffy Mrasame to say. Hello, Sammy. Hello, Sammy.
Am I in the marching?
Yeah, mu. Apom to say.
Badwam me ho ye me mintia wa no pay na me mo abaso. Na mikusu weka mapa lobia ma wo honorable Bra Champion se obe ni PRO. Enra vet aye kwe no me de odi kwama no.
Eh.
Enti me se
Same yenko
as se twa adwuma no.
So, yanko mekuduka illegal mining, legal mining so.
Yo, illegal mining metia minister oto no metia mampa metia na bedechi. Amahine illegal mining, amahine me would be say adwuma we would ato ho se obema Ghana nsu wide ate. Na brem ni nyina yankomra nyina. Edu ba bi kwa na okwa ho emobo. Because we are there now hospital kwa check BP. Because we Ghana do akoma so. Na ni nyina so ye de nuamo ahemfo. Sabi o man meba mu studio ha na manye mo ama me permission me to make them be wura ho. Nti fakase na ya ahemfo. Ye best minister so. Ese bi bebre oka. Na so anamon otu. Na ye memu ye den. Ye chiri ni pa bi so ko so ka say sanfan ye goje. Enye na nka menteda. Because me so my am godi pen. It be me one pass of the catch me say sanfan ye godi. I mean one. It me sre nada. O tradi me my am godi pen. O my many soon na me 70 82 92 82 o kombre ye ko Lagos one be yam godi because what boy am by godi na be yam. It be me one so be catch me sanfan pa wodi am godi. What me sre on komuye. Na se na wo bre no me lobia ma so benya PRO koko board one.
So me da say Gilbert o kase free can say Gilbert if I kase free. Hello Gilbert. Hello Gilbert.
Hello, yeah.
Mache, ma on so kakraba e.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning Gilbert.
Morning. Hello.
Patrick you.
Yeah, make us free takwa.
Yetiu.
Ana pay yadamase ewo jumedi a ekoso. Na yada honorable George Mekuduka say obon homodin papa na emo me yebesre Ghana man nyinara. Moma ye nyina ye ntai nechi. Asan say juma na enye easy. Honorable George Mekuduka ebe deputy minister in charge of mines in the innovative ideas and aba sector ho. Eyin enim say galamse jume sha se enyende. This year na adding green lights. Obuwa se obekebe no nti yebesre moma yentai nechi deni denyina na Ghana embe ekra behwe.
Okay, so Gilbert Yedase Aloto Jacob say Omahime Kuduka has really impressed me so much. She's always on radio and TV stations to explain the menace of Galamsey. So that's from Aloto Jacobs. Yanko takwa biem. Eric no hoya na. Yao. Takwa, correct? Okase free takwa.
Me pacha me kase free bogoso.
Bogoso. Okay, yes. Yao bogoso. Okay.
Yeah, from ya usu. Mami chia onabu Mekuduka papa. Me de me bono mbrane wasa MP. Oni bia usu kra okase. Omahene wonim sa chamfa ye de nyoma bebre ba nipa na pie na ennim. Emi chamfa ye de washing bay o.
Washing bay.
E bia nipa kono kan wonim say yetumi de nyoma pie. Onabu Mekuduka ba industry mu no. Wama de mines bia ye brand.
Wow.
The community just say bia so we are familiar with Prestia Hunivary areas. What say Asenkegwa Body no money Amefi East a yeko no na. And no ye economy ye you. And it's a honorable buona say ye regularizing na ye de ye bona ba for ye tiny chi. The best say Ghana penimfo ina fa omo ho no mun fanta na bo Mekuduka chi. Na dwumadi odi sin so all ye no. Obetimi aye no aye ni na ensuo no so ati ne nya kwan.
Okay, so that's it. You ever call is it baby any? Yeah. Isaac or baby any? Isaac Mache.
Yeah, amahene. Ano pe me da wase. Ujuma die na we na ama mani ajipa. E be da ona bo minister so ase. But e pese ontwe na ni me hwe baby any. Na hwe sibia mining ne krono SAD. There is no small-scale mining concession in At the same time, they are almost blasted every year. It goes to a time they even shot one guy. Maybe a makoto waste negununa.
That's a cost of mining.
Yes, let's say, let you know all the way.
Yeah, that's it. Yanchi Isaac also free bogo. Hey, and the honorable Duke Feel Matthias who mining for with them. They hold the binding for the magazine. Bogo so for what to say. Bogo so for what to say.
Hello.
Patrick, you.
Me Pacho.
Oh, unfortunately, yeah. Mama ya kwana fi brain akari ntimi vending call but bibia ni de de ntimi blast bra any obi a oye mine won and what am to say
nti ete na sama ore kana na kire de bibia ni mines o ho no oye large scale na oya blast na oka edom no nti oye mama me officer me sure de me kase officer o ho retail nti oboye no akoya assessment no da brehen if you so o da no reka de nka one seed of part of one concession bi on farm one no on fanye ebia small scale mining and community mining nti onu yi asama na America no there in bra aswa most of the mining companies they be a seed of part at least kakra near them ma community the obandama community no engage a lot of people are once what you juma want to one be invade your concession also in your peace of mind na that you way juma beyond that the brand corona or also or ka champagne in America the champagne or your engine or so many times.
Also about bra, but I don't know who say. What Lagos are going to do in Aba?
Echo classroom will be when you're 70 years. Because
who be winning in answer?
Absolutely. Into American channel there, some fine on your table now.
No, we want to obviously Jimmy washing big.
Bibia, Mr. Or your brand or a big company being a brand if champagne or your engines. Into woman,
we need education.
What tomorrow the year. But what bought to Sunuda, no friend is fine because of the engine. Inti Ama say it be important no but na stopper or but we are developing mechanism able to as I regulate them importation of champagne. See to me a cutting off from the importation oba medwuma no that so because no bonus so kwabna onyeden inti no for the miners inti no e kwhwe na ye pe no wakoye fofor and I feel so one will mold them champagne no say champagne no mold we are on fan call taxi or the cotton sunodo nti one will mold them machine say wo community no will mold that na emma security agencies was water or when will be stop one na watch arrest one ama one fan cotton sunodo nti they hear the stopping point baby able to me stop one but or a difficult industry to regularize Minka Debia, me MPP ni and Yenyanofo and NDC Baba. I mean, NDC wa power da. You how they fought mining and Galam say, we are in power. You feel that you na able to me. You use junta regime. You through here, arresting here. Yes, let's regularize it. Let's engage. Yenyi su kwana eba fada yenyi nkrofo bezin kita ho infuso yenyi won zin kita ho na reche won so waso aye den they remove one out of the river bodies you know yen hwede ye be creative bi offer no community mining because nipa no se onye adwuma anya on no be involved no ho in the illegalities.
So how far with Asante Mampong prospecting mining or something?
Asante Mampong nananom adaroma wakade ohoze wo makwan ma obi anya mining na ma yenyuon hihye yenyuon na yenyide yebokoda na yenyuon na engagement na yahwe kwana
ade nananum sura na
emde nsu a owo no ompede nsu no wobese no obviously
so mining cannot guarantee the sanity of our water.
Obotum guarantee when you are following all the protocols but baby obi wo na so ayete nti no therefore no my experience wenyanti oya na osuro. But Emma assurance that they are not going to mine any close or closer to any river body. Then they will understand. Inti sebekaya oti ahimfo na sofu no bisu sorry the way makwan but so even if it is lithium, if it is iron ore, or makwan more mine. But honestly, engagement, education in here for people to understand the difference between the mining and illegal mining.
Okay, so education and here now and you also need to consciously pick up journalists to walk them through these educational sessions because Bilibia done as
swap for those who bre almost all the time because you pray for the past 3 months. I said I won't have that jam and you from so. That's what I say. Kakane de ke ya tiu. Now team.
That's a come na Roma. As mu ko mining. Nti ya.
It be so.
I heard me feel quite.
Mo say draw for so addition no any ntitiye no.
Very important.
Mining
very important.
To mo pa.
Kobna memma wanu nto. Me just there is me the permission of my minister.
Yeah.
They're able to organize all the media houses. Now, ya run one through.
Exactly, it's very important.
One, you be brief one.
Yeah.
Two, now ya church and say no questions bisa. Now consciously, no so the ones who are back on field trips.
Yeah.
Ones who be education because other district FM stations, other TV stations, say you know you're showing your education.
Exactly.
To help everybody.
Exactly. Well, my man, in question that was a Jebre and Yenda deputy minister. In fact, I was very hopeful that substantive answer na baya banawi. Say your ministers need be no more bit media and say so we collaborate with the minister. Our Brazil no credim. Aye Juma Sefata Badwam ministry no. And no chikura no so no wasa boa ama the constituency so enya the impact of a positive mining. You can take out a year name for Meku Duka, Bribia Damika. Any opportunity that will be Benya to serve your people. As I say, oh, ye free akuma, a ye papem. Akuma, a bit timid in Puntu Abre Mino. Abre one Casa party, Abre Wabushi and Abre Wonderful. That's what we are all looking out for. Because governors, no, any part of Duona and Casa Omudu Omuru and Omutumi Ashomono. Obetimi ama hu se ampa oma page omumu every a could be ebasa na enidaso kese pa eho edema o mine mu fo no. On this note, minister onsema odi betwa to insuo no aye prese ni beti warden fo ahodo nso amati omo futu amode be mo omo kwaye mu nso amenkotu eye Erastus asem kwaye mu nso amu ebinimu didimu no. The word is what did you quiet him? It was so nice to say, you did him, what did you so you did quiet him?
Kobna, Mamma catcher Ghana for you there when you regime war dam abanimu. Sunday, ye determined there, ye na mining no, why am faso, Yama Ghana. Ye determined there, Bobwa, Madodo Naraso, any Juma, why? Ye determined there, or ye anamona year to gold mono, obey anamona. Dache manfo bezi ho dase ehwe CCR menyo kase education record do nara yereboa the mining obeye krabohwe in Africa Ghana beye krabohwe in Africa efi so yebokodo de yebeye engagement yenye nkofo bezi nkita ho dem na music kan no ye track all earth moving machines excavators ina yeze bibiro bo ho a bibi eboko so illegal able to na regulate nti ye whole gamut of measures are you put in place this the oboboa mining industry no wezi mu moa na be here the bia all hands must be on deck you onye MPP asem no onye NDC asem ibia mbaje fans biara mfaso biara nyedo onye fans je oyaza odi na yetase na nyina ya adwene boa mining no oye industry a odem faso odbe Ghana for.
On this note, Minister Deputy Medasi P also Jebre na also about my additionally also Wajibre Washe. I keep telling you, we appreciate you so much. Because we a Adom TV. Onyame Adom Echna, ebe say share near the Ghana Hong Kong and to be positive and be patriotic.
I ma memfa arechichensom ma abrante achu na nebusia.
Oh yes.
The nyame na onyi moye odu baby a oyezen odu baby a ntase na nyina mu no nso bible me yetase de yemfa ndase mfa manyame za kwan nyina mu no na rechechefo nyame ono bohwe na waje busua ntino mabusua hyezen na Ghana nyina na yahwere azikesa otedam nyame mfa ne kransi ye.
Right, Tuesday, thank you for watching and the 21st of February. Be positive. Bye-bye.